how do you define marketing strategy, and what are the core things included in that for a real estate developer which they should not overlook?
Critically look at is our target audience. जब तक आप अपना target buyer को define नहीं करोगे, जब तक आप अपना customer avatar नहीं बनाओगे, you are the creator इसके अंदर, you are the owner and you are the person who's building something. Get the marketing team involved right from day one. यही अगर आप पहले ही marketing शुरू कर दे, marketing strategy आपकी planning stages में शुरू में ही आ जाए, तो आप ये सोचिए कि आपका जितना भी designs हैं, हर जगह पर आपकी marketing automatically integrate होती चली जाएगी.
How do you define marketing strategy, and what are the core things included in that for a real estate developer which they should not overlook?
The marketer's problem is that he has to integrate that strategy into that physical structure which is already there.
Marketing, I've always heard, that one size never fits all. So what's your take on that? Welcome to the Build Legacy Show, where we help real estate developers to build their true legacies. So today I have someone very special, friend and a guest who's been a friend for almost 2 decades. And yes, today's conversation is going to be a very interesting, long conversation. So just be patient, because there's going to be a lot of value you're going to take out of this conversation. And how it is going to help you? Very simply, it is going to help every real estate developer to eventually, turn their project into a brand which people are going to talk about. So if you really want to convert your project into a brand people talk about, then this conversation is a must attend for you. So if you've not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe, do comment, do share, because it is going to add immense value to the life of different developers across our country. So without letting you wait, let me introduce the special guest for the day, whose name is Rahul. So thank you, Rahul, for coming up over here. So let me introduce him. He is a brand strategist and a launch expert. He has worked over 200 plus launches in different diverse industries, from coaches to service industry to launching softwares and then to real estate. So welcome, Rahul. I'm super excited to have you over this conversation, and I'm sure that you're going to throw light on different aspects of how branding, how launches are very critical to the overall real estate sector. So first of all, welcome. And how did you get into this real estate sector? I would love to have the complete story dissected from you. Over to you now.
Sure. Well, thanks for having me over, first of all. First, if we really have to go back, we have to go back like a full decade. I started back in 2014.
Okay.
And initially I started off as a copywriter. Now, a copywriter जो यहाँ पर ज़्यादातर लोगों को लगता है कि एक दो ad की line लिख देता है, headline लिख देता है, नीचे कुछ भी छोटा मोटा लिख देता है. So that's a copywriter. कि कुछ भी एक tagline दे देता है, एक jingle का कुछ first line दे देता है. तो लोगों को ये लगता है कि copywriter is somebody who does that.
Writer.
He's a glorified content writer, you can say.
Correct.
In fact, most of the people feel कि पहले तो copywriter सुन के people think, oh, you're talking in legal terms.
Correct.
Well, it's not legal terms. It's purely marketing.
Correct.
And copywriting is actually the genius behind most of the brands in the world.
Wow.
Not just in India, in the world. So yeah, I started off as a copywriter. But I wasn't writing just one headline or something, or 2 headlines or sub-headline or something like that. I was basically working on entire projects where I was writing a sales page. Now, a sales page is mostly like 20,000 words.
Oh my God.
And each and every word is written to serve a purpose.
Wow.
Basically, the idea is to take the reader, the buyer, the prospective buyer, on a journey. And it's a kind of a roller coaster ride. There are highs, there are lows. We take them through the entire journey, which is basically which is what marketing is all about.
Correct.
Right? It's about taking your buyer on a journey where the end result is he or she buying the product that you're
Correct.
offering, or the service that you're
Correct.
offering. So I started off like that, and the good thing is that the best thing that happened to me was that I worked extensively India से बाहर के clients के साथ, एंड वहां पर एक चीज मेरे को बहुत स्ट्राइक करी, वो ये कि वहां पर जो लोग हैं, बिकॉज द पॉपुलेशन इज लेस, सो द बिजनेसेस दे रियली केयर अबाउट देयर बायर्स,
Wow.
बिकॉज वो वाला बात नहीं है कि अच्छा नहीं वी आर रनिंग अ बिजनेस, 100 करोड़ लोग हैं, कोई ना कोई तो खरीद ही लेगा. दैट मेंटालिटी इज नॉट देयर, राइट? एंड नाउ दैट मेंटालिटी यू कैन सी in India also, that mentality is changing.
Changing. It's
Right?
evolving.
People are very concerned about their buyer. They want to build that connection. They want to build that trust with the buyer.
True.
Right? पहले नहीं था. पहले ज्यादातर यही था कि ठीक है, अपनी सबसे बड़ी शॉप है, अपना सबसे बड़ा नाम है, तो अपना माल तो बिक जाएगा.
बिक जाएगा.
बट अब की डेट में ऐसा नहीं है. अब की डेट में, आज की डेट में यंग जनरेशन ये चीज रियलाइज कर भी रही है. जितने भी जनरेशनल बिजनेसेस हैं, जितने भी फैमिली बिजनेसेस हैं, द यंगर जनरेशन इज रियलाइजिंग दैट यस, there is a need to build a connection with the buyers.
True.
So the marketing is not one way oriented now. पहले था कि it was more like, you know, talking on a loudspeaker, कि आप गए, आपने अपने बिजनेस के बारे में जो बोलना है बोला, और आप घर आ गए, and then your product sells itself, right? Now the marketing has become a two-way street.
Wow.
You put out a message and the buyer hits back.
Beautiful.
Through social media, through comment sections in your Instagram channel, right? In your LinkedIn, in everywhere.
Correct.
Like in all the places, the buyer will talk back with you. They will have a conversation with you. And those who are, those who are ready to have this conversation, I think beyond 2025, the era belongs to them. If you are just thinking ki nahi, main bolunga and people will come and simply buy it, simply buy my product, that's not going to happen anymore.
Beautiful.
So that's a very major shift that happened earlier in the Western world, in the US, in Europe, and now we see it extensively being, it's replacing the abhi tak jo chalta aa raha tha, it's replacing that.
Correct.
Now.
So Rahul, I would like to understand what made you land to real estate finally.
So yes, it's true that I've worked extensively in other niches as well, be it software, be it coaching. Like I've worked with coaches, I've worked with builders, I've worked with plot developers. What I do understand, and I'll be very honest and blunt with you here, marketing requires resources. No matter what people say, marketing requires resources, right? The true impact of marketing needs resources. So a lot of time ये होता था कि if I'm working with a small business owner, with a small niche, small ticket size, they don't have the resources. They want the best marketing effort, which as an agency, which as a freelancer or as an owner of the agency, I can put in. That's fine. But hoardings लगानी है, brochures निकालने हैं, right? We want VR also implemented. We want the experience center to look good. We want the buyer should get the whole feel of what your marketing is about. Like if you're saying that we are selling premium luxury spaces, then when they come to your experience center, it should look like premium luxury space, right? It should look like that.
Correct.
Right? अब वो नहीं है कि वहां पे लोग देखने आया तो वहां एक गड्ढा है बस. Like, you know, कि यहाँ आएगा अभी building. Right?
True.
Because you have to hold your buyer's hand and show him or her the future. The future where they are using your product. They are either living in your product or they are using your product. So how that changes their life, you have to show them that. तो अब इन visuals के लिए, इन सब चीजों के लिए, you need resources.
Correct.
Right? And I figured that अगर सही में पूरा impact डालना है, तो ideally ऐसे लोगों के साथ काम करना चाहिए जहां पे उनके पास resources हों, टिकट साइज अच्छा हो, सो दैट एक इम्पैक्टफुल मार्केटिंग कैंपेन चलाया जा सके. राइट? बिकॉज जब वो सब चीजें एक साथ आती हैं, देन ऑब्वियसली ROI भी आता है, देन द बेस सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है कि आउटकम निकल कर आता है जो आप चाहते थे शुरू से.
True.
सो धीरे धीरे करते करते वी केम डाउन टू दिस कंक्लूजन दैट रिसोर्स अबंडेंस होनी चाहिए इफ यू वांट टू इम्प्लीमेंट अ गुड मार्केटिंग स्ट्रैटेजी फ्रॉम A to Z. हालांकि यहाँ पे आई वुड लाइक टू मेंशन दिस पॉइंट कि कहीं ना कहीं मैंने एक रियल एस्टेट के अंदर अब काम करके ये चीज समझनी शुरू करी है कि एक छोटा सा मिस्टेक जो हो जाता है बिल्डर्स की तरफ से या रियल एस्टेट डेवलपर्स की तरफ से इज कि मार्केटिंग को वो एंड में रख देते हैं कि पहले लैंड तो एक्वायर कर लें, बेचने का तो बाद में देखेंगे, राइट? बिकॉज दे कंफ्यूज मार्केटिंग विद सेलिंग. Selling is different. Marketing is different. Marketing starts right from the day you think about developing a project in a certain location. That's where your marketing should start. You should not wait कि पहले हम land acquire करेंगे, फिर हम architect से बात करेंगे, फिर एक बड़ा सा नाम architect का, जैसे हाफिज कॉन्ट्रैक्टर सर हो गए या किसी का, ऐसे किसी बड़े कॉन्ट्रैक्टर, बड़े आर्किटेक्ट को या बड़ी आर्किटेक्ट फर्म को पहले उसको ऑन बोर्ड करेंगे, फिर हम लोग देखेंगे कि वो क्या हमको बता रहे हैं. हमको अपने अपार्टमेंट्स को लंदन लुक दे रहा है या रोम लुक दे रहा है, जो आजकल काफी कॉमन हो गया है. तो कि एक अच्छी यूरोपियन सिटी को लेकर उसके अराउंड एक थीम बनाई जाए
या ब्रांडेड रेजिडेंसेस करने फॉर दैट मैटर.
एग्जैक्टली. सो वो सब करने के बाद देन यू गो फॉर देन दे थिंक अच्छा बिल्डिंग मटेरियल कौन सा करना है, पहले इसकी बजटिंग कर लेता है, कहाँ से क्या लेना है, दिस दैट सब कुछ होने के बाद नाउ दे कम कि अच्छा चलो जी अब बताओ कि इसकी क्या मार्केटिंग करनी है, क्या ब्रांडिंग करनी है.
करेक्ट,
राइट? यही अगर आप पहले ही मार्केटिंग शुरू कर दे, मार्केटिंग स्ट्रैटेजी आपकी प्लानिंग स्टेजेस में शुरू में ही आ जाए, तो आप ये सोचिए कि आपका जितना भी डिजाइन हैं हर जगह पर आपकी मार्केटिंग ऑटोमेटिकली इंटीग्रेट होती चली जाएगी.
करेक्ट.
एक बार आप एक फिजिकल स्ट्रक्चर बना के बेच रहे हो, राइट? आपने एक बिल्डिंग बना दी, अभी आपने एक फिजिकल स्ट्रक्चर बना दिया एक थीम के बेसिस के ऊपर, जो आपके और आपके आर्किटेक्ट को जो समझ में आया कि हाँ यार ये होना चाहिए एज पर योर टेस्ट, आपने वो बना दिया. नाउ द मार्केटर्स प्रॉब्लम इज दैट ही हैज टू इंटीग्रेट दैट स्ट्रैटेजी इनटू दैट फिजिकल स्ट्रक्चर व्हिच इज ऑलरेडी देयर.
Correct.
Right? So now we don't have that kind of room to play with. So agar if any builder starts, whenever you start your next project, get the marketing team involved right from day one. You will see in the end things will be very, very seamless. Beautiful. Because you will get what you want and it will show in your physical structure. It will show everywhere. Right? उसको क्योंकि आप बाद में जबरदस्ती नहीं घुसा रहे हो. It is already integrated into the planning and strategy.
Seamlessly.
Yes.
Beautiful. So when you talk about, you emphasized on marketing strategy. So how do you define marketing strategy? And what are the core things included in that for a real estate developer which they should not overlook?
Sure. So when I say marketing strategy, the foremost thing that we have to really, really critically look at is our target audience.
Okay.
जब तक आप अपना टारगेट बायर को डिफाइन नहीं करोगे, जब तक आप अपना कस्टमर एवेटार नहीं बनाओगे, और कस्टमर एवेटार इतनी डिटेल में कि वो खाली जब बैठा होता है हॉबी के लिए वो क्या करता है या क्या करती है, या जब वो बिजनेस कर रहा है तो वो किस तरीके से बिहेव करता है या करती है. यू हैव टू गो इनटू वेरी फाइन डिटेल्स ऑफ अ पर्सन यू आर सेलिंग टू.
Beautiful.
One major problem that I have come across is that most of the times, when we're talking to people, we are projecting what we are onto somebody else, right?
Correct.
Right? So I would look at somebody else and say, ये ऐसा है, but basically you're just projecting your own feelings, right? हमको marketing strategy prepare करते हुए ये customer avatar इसलिए बनाते हैं so that we don't project our needs, our wants. आप builder हो. You are the creator इसके अंदर. You are the owner and you are the person who's building something. Not for your own use, for the other person's use.
Absolutely.
And if you start looking at it from your own lens कि मुझे तो
ये अच्छा
ऐसा चाहिए वैसा चाहिए, जबकि आपने वहां रहना नहीं है.
Correct.
Right? तो इसलिए सबसे पहली चीज है कि आप अपना एक कस्टमर एवेटार क्रिएट करिए.
Okay.
उसकी नीड्स, उसकी वांट्स, उसके डिजायर्स, उसके फियर्स, उसके पेन पॉइंट्स के ऊपर जाइए.
Beautiful.
Right? And then वहां से आप ये सोचिए कि मेरा इसका प्रोजेक्ट का यूएसपी क्या है. राइट? अब एक चीज मैंने और देखी है, मैं बहुत सारे अपने जो क्लाइंट्स हैं, जो रियल एस्टेट में क्लाइंट्स हैं, मैं उनको बोलता भी हूं कि आप देखिए, ये एक बहुत चलता आ रहा है कि आप एक फिजिकल एस्पेक्ट के बारे में बात करके आप अपना जो अपार्टमेंट्स है वो सेल कर रहे हो आप. राइट?
True.
यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट फिजिकल एस्पेक्ट्स की, या लैंडस्केपिंग ऐसी हुई है, क्लब हाउस है, राइट? हमारा यहाँ से आपका स्कूल 2 किलोमीटर पे अच्छा स्कूल है, हॉस्पिटल है. These things are important. I understand, right? But the problem with talking about physical aspects of your property is that the buyer will start thinking about the physical obstacles about your property as well. That's the other side of the coin, which nobody thinks about.
Correct.
Right? अभी बायर को आपने ये दिखा दिया कि यहाँ से स्कूल 2 किलोमीटर दूर है सिर्फ.
Correct.
क्योंकि आपने वो हाईलाइट करना था. राइट? बट बायर को क्या दिख रहा है? 1 मिनट, यहाँ पे ड्रेन भी तो 1 किलोमीटर के ऊपर है.
Correct.
यहाँ पे अंदर आने के लिए 2 किलोमीटर का यू टर्न भी तो लेकर आना पड़ता है.
Correct.
राइट? और उन फिजिकल ऑब्स्टिकल्स के लिए आपके पास सोल्यूशन नहीं है.
नहीं है.
That's not in your hands.
It's
Right?
out of your control.
If there is a cremation ground, you know,
Correct,
God
correct.
forbid, वहां
Yes,
पर
yes.
आसपास
Yeah, yeah.
आपकी वैल्यू डाउन चली गई.
True.
आपने ये तो बता दिया कि लेफ्ट साइड पर 1 किलोमीटर के अंदर ये बहुत बड़ा मॉल है. राइट? बट वो जो बाहर आ रहा है वो लेफ्ट से नहीं आया और राइट से आ गया और उसको पहले क्रिमेशन ग्राउंड दिख गया या कोई एक ड्रेन दिख गई, ओपन ड्रेनेज दिख गई जो आपके हाथ में नहीं
हाथ में नहीं
है.
है.
राइट?
Correct. Yes.
Then what do you do? So I'm saying, yes, talk about the physical amenities. Yes, talk about the physical aspects of your project. But my suggestion would be, you should be heavily bending towards the emotional aspects, the storytelling aspects. Again, we loop back and say, why is this person buying?
Mm.
Right? We tie everything to his why, not our why.
Mm.
आर वाई इज मैंने बहुत अच्छा मटेरियल यूज किया है, मेरी लोकेशन बहुत अच्छी है, मैं जो अम्यूनिटीज दे रहा हूं मेरा कंपेटिटर नहीं दे रहा है. राइट?
Correct.
मैं जिस प्राइस पॉइंट पे दे रहा हूं कोई माई का लाल नहीं दे सकता है. फाइन, अग्रीड, बट दैट इज योर वाई, नॉट हिज वाई.
Correct.
यू आर स्टिल ट्राइंग टू मेक अ कनेक्शन कि ठीक है मैं जिस प्राइस पे दे रहा हूं, ठीक है ये मेरा वाई है और आपका भी वाई यही होना चाहिए कि आपको इस प्राइस पॉइंट पे मिल रहा है, विच इज
Correct.
फाइन.
Correct. Correct.
बट इफ यू डिग डीपर, उसका वाई कुछ और निकल कर आएगा.
Mm.
His why would be different. And once you figure that out, then the marketing strategy, it literally writes itself down.
Beautiful. Then it'll
Because-
be like seamlessly smooth.
It is seamlessly smooth.
Nice.
Because now you figured out the person you're selling to.
Correct.
Right? They say na, वो game में भी कहते हैं ना, don't play the game, play the person who's playing the game.
Beautiful.
If you can play with their mind, if you can play with your competitor's mind, right? You already won.
Correct. Correct.
That's a given.
Correct. Correct.
सो मार्केटिंग स्ट्रैटेजी आप शुरू से ही बनाएं. आप अपना कस्टमर एवेटार प्रिपेयर करें, उसको जितना डीप में जा सकते हैं उतना डीप में जाएं. राइट? मोस्ट ऑफ द रियल एस्टेट डेवलपर्स हैव they've spoken to a wide variety of people, wide variety of customers. ठीक है? They have a lot of feedback from the channel partners. Channel partners are they're a very premium source of customer knowledge.
Customer knowledge.
That
Insights, the true
yes,
insights.
yes, what they can give you, nobody else can. That's pure gold.
Correct.
So when you sit with them, you understand what is the buyer saying,
Correct.
what do they want, and when you can sync the both things together, that is your marketing strategy.
Mm.
That is it. There is no rocket science behind it. To be very honest with you,
Correct.
right?
Correct. But when you talk about customer being the pivot, I feel there is a big gap in between these two things, that the developer is not having that much of time really to sit with the customer or channel partner to really dig deep, to really understand what is exactly they're looking at. Correct? So they are heavily dependent on their mandate partners or their sales partner. So what would you advise them?
See, yes, it's a very valid point that they don't have time. I understand that and I completely agree with that, right? But that's where the role of a marketing strategist comes in.
Okay.
Because you need a specialist to look at that,
Okay.
right? Now, you tell me, when you're deciding कि कौन सा सीमेंट यूज होना है, कौन सा TMT यूज होना है, सरिया यूज होना है, किसका लगना है, किसका नहीं लगना है, right? उसके लिए you will have an expert in your team,
Correct.
right?
Correct.
You can't take everything on your plate,
Correct.
obviously. But
Correct.
you can't even delegate that work to somebody who has no clue about it,
True. Absolutely correct.
right? So that's why I'm saying in the initial stages only, once the building is ready, right, you want to sell it. You want to quickly sell it. Building छोड़िए, basement बन गई है, बेचना शुरू करो. Of
True,
course.
true,
तेरा आ गया,
true.
बेचना शुरू करो.
Correct.
Right? That is the mentality,
Correct.
which is the right mentality also.
Correct.
You need to start selling as early as
As early as
possible,
possible. Correct.
right? Because obviously then you have to make the cash flow
Go roll.
go around, right? So that's a very vital part, right? But that's why I'm saying, if you wait कि बिल्डिंग बन जाएगी या आधी बन जाएगी, देन योर फोकस शिफ्ट्स ऑन सेलिंग. मार्केटिंग कहाँ गई? फिर आप क्या करते हो? जो पहली एजेंसी जिसने फ्रेंड ने बता दिया, उस एजेंसी को बुलाया, हाँ जी जल्दी जल्दी कर दो, एक ब्रोशर बना दो, ये बना दो, वो बना दो, राइट? वो भी एजेंसी को भी आप टाइम भी नहीं देते हो. उस एजेंसी की भी गलती नहीं है. यू हायर एनी एजेंसी एंड यू टेल देम हमको तो ये 1 महीने में लॉन्च करना है, हमें नहीं पता, वी हैव टू, रेरा आ गया हमारा, हम तो लॉन्च करने लगे, जल्दी बना के दो, राइट? दैट एजेंसी गोज बैक, टेक्स आउट द टेम्पलेट जो पहले से बना हुआ है, स्टॉक फोटोज पड़ी हुई है उसके पास. तभी आप देखोगे सारे न्यूज़पेपर के अंदर नियरली, चाहे वो कोई भी बिल्डर की एड आ रही हो, सारी बिल्डिंग सेम है. ऑल द बिल्डिंग्स आर सेम. उनके 4-5 बिल्डिंग के ही वो है बड़े बड़े क्या कहते हैं, ड्रोन शॉट्स हैं, वही हर जगह पे लगे हुए हैं. वही सारा नीचे सेम 3 BHK 2.5 BHK इतने का, इतने स्क्वायर फीट, इतना, ये वो सेम टेम्पलेट है.
इतनी एमिनिटीज, मोर और लेस
एमिनिटीज, राइट? नाउ द प्रॉब्लम इज, आपने ये कर दिया बिकॉज ये होना चाहिए, बिकॉज एजेंसी टोल्ड यू कि सर एक फ्रंट पेज ऐड तो जाएगी. ठीक है जी जाएगी. सर ये 4 होर्डिंग तो लगेंगे. ठीक है जी लगेंगे, राइट? आप ठीक है करते गए. आपने क्या किया, एक इसको मार्केटिंग को एक टास्क की तरह कंप्लीट कर दिया कि कर तो दी, ये भी कर दिया, ये भी कर दिया, ये भी कर दिया. यू आर लुकिंग एट इट एज अ टास्क, एज अ टू डू लिस्ट, राइट?
करेक्ट.
अभी प्रॉब्लम क्या है? बिकॉज इट हैज बीन सो ओवरयूज्ड एंड द एजेंसी इज नॉट गेटिंग रियली द टाइम टू basically form a marketing strategy customized for your needs or based on your project. They're using templates, right? अभी उन्होंने कर दिया. Now ये इतनी बारी बाहर जा चुका है that your buyer, I'm sorry to say, is blind to it now. They don't see it. It is the same thing that happened with Google ads, Google banner ads. जो आपकी वेबसाइट खोलते थे या Google सर्च कर रहे थे तो राइट साइड पे जो भी बैनर एड्स आती थी, after a point of time there was no ROI on that. Correct. Because people literally, your audience became blind to it.
Correct.
Your mind, your audience's brain is designed for efficiency. You agree, right?
Absolutely, yes.
It is going to filter out something that is not important.
Yes.
Right?
Correct.
आपने एक बारी वो ऐड देख लिया, पहली बार जिसने भी वो न्यूज़पेपर में ऐड दिया आपने देख लिया, एज अ बायर आपने देख लिया, आपने नीचे का सारा पढ़ लिया. दूसरी बारी आया, किसी और बिल्डर के लिए आया, किसी और रियल एस्टेट डेवलपर का आया, बट आया सेम,
करेक्ट,
मोर और लेस.
करेक्ट.
अभी आपके ब्रेन ने क्या कहा? ये पढ़ा हुआ है, दिस इज, यू डोंट नीड टू फोकस ऑन दिस, यू ऑलरेडी नो दिस, देयर इज नथिंग न्यू इन दिस,
यस,
राइट? तो आपका वो फोकस तो गया ना बायर का, राइट? तो मेरे को लगता है कि अब उसके बाद आप जो ये कर रहे हो, इतना बड़ा बिल्डिंग का जो आप ऐड दे रहे हो न्यूज़पेपर के फॉर फ्रंट पेज के ऊपर आप ऐड दे रहे हो,
spending lakhs of rupees
is actually money down the drain because it's not serving the purpose. It's not serving the purpose. That's why you will see hoardings with quirky ads ज़्यादा चलती हैं, या anything controversial कुछ लिख दो आप, ज़्यादा चलता है.
करेक्ट.
पीछे अभी बैंगलोर के अंदर I was going through some ads and I saw this agency, उन लोगों ने किसी एरिया के अंदर शुरू करना था एक प्रोजेक्ट, तो वहाँ पे उन्होंने लिखा हुआ है, डियर Bangaloreans, we are sorry. We are sorry because we have taken up so much space to give you a nice bedroom. So basically it is like it's like scroll stopping. या आप जा रहे हो कहीं पे तो it'll stop you for a minute because this is something out of the ordinary.
True.
Right?
True that.
Now agencies, we have very good agencies in India, very creative people. They can come up with such quirky things, with such out of the box ideas. They can come up with those. Correct. Provided they're given time.
And they're given right inputs also, I feel.
Yes. और आप इनपुट कब दोगे? वो तो बिगनिंग में दोगे ना प्रोजेक्ट के.
True.
वो तो प्रोजेक्ट के बिगनिंग
even before buying the land, right?
क्योंकि लैंड आपने चलो फाइनल भी कर ली, अब आप एटलीस्ट एक ब्रांडिंग स्ट्रैटेजिस्ट को बुलाकर आप दिखा दो कि दिस इज वेयर वी आर गोइंग टू बिल्ड, ये आसपास है, ये सब कुछ है, राइट? लाइक फॉर मी, लाइक आई हैव अ क्लाइंट इन सेंट्रल इंडिया, वो एक सिटी के अंदर है विच आई हैव नेवर विजिटेड इन माय लाइफ. So they called me and they said ki we are developing plots and we are building a nice clubhouse, we are doing beautiful landscaping, right? We'll send you pictures and then you tell us what you think and this that. I was like, sorry, but I'll have to come there.
Correct.
Pictures, yes, a picture can speak 1,000 words, but I really can't feel still the place. I need to feel the place.
Correct.
And I need to see the people. I need to understand the culture.
True.
Before giving you a strategy, I need to understand these things.
True.
Right?
True.
And आप यकीन करो कि वहाँ पे जाकर for 1 or 2 days, I was just roaming around the streets of that city, just trying to capture what is it that people want here, what is it that people aspire to do here,
nice.
right? और मेरे को वहां पे जाके समझ में आया that आप एक प्रीमियम लग्जरी जगह लोकेशन के ऊपर आप एक गेटेड सोसाइटी बना रहे हो विद अ ब्यूटीफुल ऑब्वियसली क्लब हाउस एंड वेरी वेरी प्रिटी लुकिंग लैंडस्केपिंग एंड यू आर प्रोवाइडिंग ऑल द एमिनिटीज. नाउ पीपल हु आर मूविंग देयर, उनका आपको पता है सबसे बड़ा पेन पॉइंट क्या था? सबसे बड़ा पेन पॉइंट उनको बात करने के बाद उनसे डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन नहीं, डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर में ना इंसान बड़ा लॉजिकल हो जाता है. ठीक है, देन दे विल गिव यू द आंसर दैट यू वांट टू हियर.
करेक्ट,
राइट. बट अगर कॉन्वर्सेशन मेथड यूज करके आप आराम से बात करते करते बातें निकलवाओ, तो वहां पे निकल के आया कि यार ठीक है, वी हैव मेड अ लॉट ऑफ मनी हियर, दिस सिटी हैज गिवन अस सो मच. द ओनली पेन पॉइंट इज दैट टू एंजॉय द बिग सिटी की लग्जरी, द बिग सिटी की फील, आवर चिल्ड्रन हैव टू मूव.
Yeah, nice.
And then that business owner who spent his life building such a huge business, right, in the end is not able to stay in one single house with his grandchildren.
Wow.
For him, that is the biggest problem.
Yes. So it's so deep, huh?
Sir, उसको मतलब नहीं है. ठीक है, आपने उसका योगा सेंटर बना दिया, शायद वो यूज करे, शायद वो ना करे, वैसे कर लेते हैं उस एज के लोग ज्यादातर. ठीक है, अभी आपको लग रहा होगा कि उसकी जो नीड है वो है कि भाई मेरा एक स्पेशियस सा बेडरूम हो, ये हो. नहीं, विद द एज नीड्स जो हैं वो इमोशंस पे चली जाती है, राइट? इट फिजिकल एस्पेक्ट से हट जाता है इंसान.
करेक्ट.
सो वहां पे जाके ये समझ में आया, तो वी स्टार्टेड बिल्डिंग द स्ट्रैटेजी अराउंड दैट. द स्ट्रैटेजी वाज नॉट अराउंड द क्लब हाउस. द स्ट्रैटेजी वाज कि क्लब हाउस में ऐसी चीजें हैं विच योर ग्रैंड किड्स विल एंजॉय, योर सन एंड योर डॉटर इन लॉ वुड लव टू स्टे देयर. उनके स्टेटस, क्योंकि आपने तो मेहनत करके एक इतना बड़ा एम्पायर बना दिया. नाउ रिमेंबर, maybe you started from scratch, your son and your daughter-in-law are not starting from the scratch.
Correct.
Right?
Correct.
They are starting at a certain level, at a certain status level.
True.
Right?
Correct.
अब अगर आपको ये दिख जाए कि हाँ यार, यहाँ पे अगर मैं बना देता हूँ घर, तो मेरा बेटा, बहू, everybody will be very happy staying here. I'll be able to see my grandkids grow up. That is the biggest thing you can give to your buyer. He's the decision maker at the end of the day.
Yes.
He's the one who's deciding.
Correct.
Right? Even if the son is deciding, I would say still as a son, you are a son, I am a son. We both know that we have to look both ways. We have to look at our own children, but at the same time, we also have to look at our own parents.
Correct.
इनके लिए भी कुछ हो वहां पर.
True.
So, foremost thing is you decide कि मेरा buyer कौन है, and then go deep into it. Once you figure that out, sir, it's not rocket science. It's the easiest. The selling part is the easiest part. अभी क्या है, most of the builders मैं देखता हूँ, they are, sorry to say, but heavily dependent on channel partners. Heavily dependent. कि channel partner को अगर अच्छा लग जाता है हमारा project, तो they will sell it. Right? Which is true. Channel partners, they have a very good network. No doubt about that. Right? But मैं ये कहता हूँ कि एक सोर्स के ऊपर इतना प्रेशर मत डालो कि सारी सेल्स तुमने ही करनी है. या कल को आप एक होर्डिंग लगा देते तो उसके ऊपर सारा प्रेशर मत डालो कि सारी सेल्स इसी से निकालनी है. या आपने एक एक्सपीरियंस सेंटर बना दिया तो उस पर भी मत डालो कि सारी सेल्स एक्सपीरियंस सेंटर को दिखाकर ही निकालनी है. राइट? आई विजिटेड वन प्लेस, क्या कहते हैं, जहां पर उन्होंने मेरे को एक्सपीरियंस सेंटर दिखाया. दे स्पेंड मोर देन 10 CR ऑन दैट एक्सपीरियंस सेंटर. इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल वेरी हाई टेक एक्सपीरियंस सेंटर. Right? But what I suggest is that you divide the pressure,
Nice.
amongst all these sources.
Aspects of marketing.
Yes. And if your marketing strategy is in place, then your hoardings send out the same message, right? Your experience center reinforces that when people come, right? Your ads that you're running, paid ads, are of the same message. Then your brochures speak the same language, right? Now, because your channel partners have been provided with all these things, they also speak the same language. तो आप देखिए ना, your message is going clearly to your prospective client.
Correct.
Because as you know, a confused client will never buy. He will never buy. Right? But a person who's listening to the same thing again and again from different sources will eventually, he or she will be very confident while buying. कि हाँ यार सेम ही मैसेज मिल रहा है मुझे, एंड आई लाइक द आइडिया.
Why did his emotion is getting the right emotion is getting struck?
Yes, it's getting triggered.
Correct.
It's getting triggered, and you're playing at the subconscious level also. बिकॉज आप मैसेज इस तरीके से सटल तरीके से बाहर भेज रहे हो और वो एक जगह से हिट नहीं कर रहा है. इट इज हिटिंग दैट पर्सन फ्रॉम एवरीवेयर. द बायर इज गेटिंग योर मैसेज फ्रॉम एवरीवेयर.
Very interesting.
इट इज द सेम मैसेज.
So Rahul, I'm getting so many questions, but out of those series of questions, I would first like to ask that, let's say if you want to guide a developer, that if on a daily basis, let's say if he does 3 to 5 meetings a week, what would be your advice to him to identify deeply their customer avatar and understand them?
सर सी द थिंग इज, जितना मैं समझ पाया हूँ इस मार्केट के अंदर, नियरली डेवलपर्स जो बनते हैं या जो ऑलरेडी डेवलपर्स हैं, दे ऑलरेडी हैव met so many people. They met a lot of people in their life, and most of the, I mean, they have an idea ki what our clients want and what they don't want, right? मैं ये कहता हूँ कि आपका, जब आप एक आर्किटेक्ट से बात कर रहे हो और आप उसको ये बता रहे हो कि मुझको इस थीम का अपार्टमेंट्स बनवाने हैं, राइट, मेरे को रोमन स्टाइल में बनवाने हैं या ब्रिटिश स्टाइल में बनवाने हैं, राइट, तो आपने जब इतना थीम सिलेक्शन कर लिया है, राइट, तो व्हाई नॉट सिलेक्ट क्लाइंट्स ऑल्सो
Beautiful.
इन द बिगिनिंग,
Beautiful.
इन द सेंस कि आपने, ठीक है, आप 100 डिफरेंट तरीके के लोगों को जानते हो, राइट, बट जो आप अपार्टमेंट बना रहे हो, इट शुड बी आइडियली फॉर 20-30% ऑफ द पीपल यू नो.
Beautiful.
You can't make, if you try to make everybody happy, nobody will be happy in the end with you. Right? तो अगर आपका एक प्रोजेक्ट है, आपको you have to figure out कि जितने भी लोगों को मैं जानता हूँ, राइट, और जिनसे भी मेरे को जो जिस तरीके का फीडबैक मिला है कि हम उनकी एस्पिरेशंस मैं अंदाजा लगा सकता हूँ, आई कैन मेक एन इंटेलिजेंट गेस कि what they like, what they don't like. When you're making a customer avatar, it is an intelligent guess only.
Correct.
But it's an intelligent guess. It's based on some data that you have already secured over the years.
Not on assumptions.
Yes, not on total assumptions या not on projections कि मैं ऐसा सोचता हूँ तो ये भी ऐसे सोचता होगा.
Correct.
वैसे नहीं.
Or not just on the feedback of architect or any digital marketing agency.
See, the problem with digital marketing agencies, they are operating from an AC room.
Correct.
They hardly ever go out.
Correct.
Right?
Yeah, they hardly haven't met your customers.
They've never met your customer.
Or prospects.
They've never met your customer.
Correct.
That is the problem with the digital marketing agencies these days. They are serving you based on what they think would work.
And they have a set of services, for them. Either, you want to launch a project, आपको 10 लाख में करना है या 30 लाख में करना है या 50 लाख में करना है.
उनका
What services you want, you just...
Rate card fix है.
Exactly.
Okay? They think that they have figured out one, one thing that they have figured out and it will apply everywhere.
And it's templatized, as you said, right?
It is templatized.
Correct.
Because, sorry to break it to you, but you are one of their clients.
Correct. And it's like in marketing, I've always heard, that one size never fits all. So what's your take on that?
Of course not. One size never fits all in any niche.
Correct.
In any niche.
Yeah.
Dealing with different sort of people.
Correct.
Dealing with different people coming from different social backgrounds. आज की डेट में अगर आप मान लीजिए भुवनेश्वर में घर बना रहे हो या आप बैंगलोर में घर बना रहे हो, आप बैंगलोर के लोगों को नहीं बेच रहे हो. People are from Odisha.
Yeah.
People are from Delhi. People are from Bangalore. From Mumbai, Pune, who've come there to work.
True.
Right?
True.
So they are all coming from a diverse cultural backgrounds. They all want different things. Right? तो जब आप बना रहे हो तो आपको you have to think कि हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, किसके लिए कर रहे हैं.
Beautiful.
But when a digital marketing agency sees कि अच्छा ठीक है ये एक template लगा देते हैं, right? You will see a lot of them using एक family photo दिखाने के लिए they're using foreigners. एक foreign का मतलब US citizen दिखने वाला couple with 2 kids, right? That's the photo I've seen used everywhere.
Correct. And people don't relate with that, right?
They don't relate. You feel a disconnect once you walk into that experience center. You feel a disconnect. You can't see yourself living there.
Yes.
Right? And then your person comes and says, हाँ जी sir, 2 BHK देख रहे हो, 3 BHK देख रहे हो. That same story again rolls out. कि क्या बजट है आपका, कौन सा देख रहे हो, क्या देख रहे हो. And then they start off with their script जो उन्होंने learn कर रखी होती है कि यहाँ पे सर ये स्कूल आने वाला है, वहाँ पे वो हॉस्पिटल आने वाला है, ये होने वाला है, वो होने वाला है. and without breaking a sweat, he will keep or she will keep going, because आप तो कहीं कोशिश ही नहीं कर रहे हो जानने की कि कस्टमर चाहता क्या है, करने क्या आया है, उसका पर्पस क्या है लेने का.
Nice.
Right? Does he want to really live there? Is he buying only for an investment purpose? Why? What is the reason? What is his why? जब तक आप वो figure out नहीं करोगे, your marketing strategy is not going to do wonders. ठीक है, आपने brochure बना दिया, ठीक है, लोगों ने देख लिया, right? And if the person is, your buyer is determined कि मेरे को इस area में 1.25 CR का लेना ही लेना है,
Correct.
और मेरे को ये amenities चाहिए, तो वो ले लेगा, ठीक है, ले लेगा. But गेम वहां नहीं है, गेम वहां है जिसके पास बहुत सारी चॉइसेस हैं, who's unsure whether I want to buy or not. If you're able to sell to that person, that's where the game is.
And how do you, Rahul, make that unsure mind sure just by, crafting that right message which you emphasized on mainly?
So, what I've seen,
Is there some magic trick or?
yeah, no, you can't really call it a magic trick. Again, it's really not rocket science. It's just that you have to be, you have to put yourself in your customer's shoes.
Gotta be very empathetic. This is what.
Very, very empathetic, right? You don't get a bird's eye view of that person's situation. Get into that person's shoes, and once you do that, once you figure out the person, right? Now, I agree. You can't figure out if you have 1,000 apartments, या 1,200 apartment आपने बना रखे हैं, and you want to sell it to 1,200 people, you can't figure out what 1,200 people want in life, right?
Correct.
But आप एक मोटा माटा एक उसको सब कैटेगरीज में बांट सकते हो कि ठीक है, this is the kind of people we are targeting, this is our target customer, और इनकी ज्यादातर ये 5 या 6 wants या needs होती हैं.
Correct.
And then the marketing collaterals अगर आप उसके अराउंड बनाते हो अपने, आपके ब्रोशर्स, आपकी जो टीजर्स बन रहे हैं, फिल्म्स बन रही हैं,
True.
या जो भी बन रहा है, अगर आप उसके अराउंड बनाते हो तो it will definitely convert. It will convert better than your generic template based brochures जो आप अभी तक use कर रहे हो. It will land, basically it will land when the client sees it, when the buyer sees it. And remember, buyer को भी आप बार बार कई जगहों पे hit कर रहे हो, right? पहले तो obviously you have to get their focus, you have to get their attention. तो हम लोगों ने एक जगह पे किया था, on the hoardings we had a very cryptic message. We did not say anything, there was just a design, and we bombarded the city with those hoardings. Like the city went crazy looking at those hoardings, right? And this we did outside India. And then not just the hoardings around the city, the same hoarding we made a smaller design, and we made tent cards, and those tent cards were kept in coffee shops, in restaurants. We partnered with them.
Wow.
So now the person who's driving around is seeing your hoarding.
Very nice.
He sits to have a cup of coffee, he sees your hoarding in a miniature form.
Wow.
So wherever that person goes, he's like, okay, this is something, right? On the social media also, just that hoarding ka design is there, right? So now what we have done, this is just stage one. We got their focus, right? We got their focus. Then we go and start teasing with what is possible. We don't still show it, right? We still don't show it. We simply, आप देखोगे काफी सारे रियल एस्टेट प्रोजेक्ट्स में यही होता है. अभी तो सिर्फ लैंड एक्वायर हुई है और बेसमेंट डलनी शुरू हुई है, रेरा आता ही पूरी बिल्डिंग की फोटो आ जाती है.
करेक्ट.
विच इज ऑब्वियसली नॉट दैट सेम बिल्डिंग जो बनेगी एंड में.
करेक्ट.
वो भी नहीं है, क्योंकि अभी उस डिजाइन पे भी काम चल रहा है.
करेक्ट.
बट क्योंकि मार्केटिंग पहले पुश करनी है तो कर दी वहां पर जाकर उस लेवल पे, राइट?
करेक्ट.
तो एक वो डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाता है.
ट्रू.
राइट.
ट्रू.
तो अभी टीजर्स का हम ये कहते हैं कि आप अभी डोंट शो व्हाट यू हैव, व्हाट यू आर कमिंग अप विद, राइट? तो उस केस के अंदर हम लोगों ने क्या किया था, वी फोकस्ड ऑन promoting the lifestyle, the premium lifestyle that the person, the residents of that society tomorrow will enjoy. So we started giving them that glimpse of that life that they're going to enjoy, right? Swimming pool, lawn tennis courts, इनके थोड़ा सा और हम लोगों ने और उसमें थोड़ा सा creativity करके we then started sending out teasers, right? Then we started talking about pain points कि this is the thing, cramped spaces से अभी आप परेशान हो, right?
Correct.
Parking spaces नहीं है आपके पास.
Correct.
you have very, very good cars, luxury cars, but you don't have a place to park them.
Correct.
Because obviously you're living in your older house.
True,
जो
true.
old पहले का house है, existing
True.
family house है, या जो भी है जहाँ पे आप रह रहे हो, right? तो इन सब चीज़ों पे आपने एक कनेक्शन बनाना शुरू करा अपने कस्टमर के साथ, अपने बायर के साथ एक कनेक्शन बनाना शुरू किया. तो जब कनेक्शन बन गया, उसके बाद we started showing them our offer. There was a third stage. So the first stage is just to get their focus, you have to do something quirky.
Correct.
आज की डेट में because of the social
So much of
media,
clutter and
so much of
noise around
so
you.
much of noise, right? That you have to say something really controversial, yeah, something really quirky to get people's attention,
correct.
right? And once you have that, then you have to build that connection. Once you have that, you have to talk about the pain points. So the customer says, okay, yeah, they get me. They understand.
They understand me.
Right? That's the connect that we are trying to build. Once that is done, you put your offer on the table, and then तो you put your offer on the table. उसके बाद आपके पास सारी आप physical aspects के बारे में बात करो. हमारा ये amenity है, हमारा वो amenity है, हम ये दे रहे हैं, वो दे रहे हैं. Problem क्या है? Real estate के अंदर ज़्यादातर marketing starts from there. You straight away put your offer out there. हम ये दे रहे हैं, हम वो दे रहे हैं, हम ये दे रहे हैं, हम वो दे रहे हैं.
Correct, correct.
Sorry boss, but वो तो सब दे रहे हैं.
Correct, correct, correct.
That's the problem.
That's the problem. So it's about saying the message at what timing. I think that's what you were saying, right?
Yes.
It should be in the right sequence and the right timing. This
Right
is what you're
timing,
saying?
yes, and in right stages, right phases.
Right phase.
You don't reveal ekdam se. That's why they're called teasers, because they
Correct.
come pehle just to tease the person,
Just to build a curiosity, you know.
right? You know, human mind hates open loops.
Explain, deep
Okay.
dive.
Human minds, आप एक open loop छोड़ दोगे तो the other person it becomes annoying.
Mhm.
Like मैंने कहा जो हमने cryptic messaging use करी,
Hmm.
एक ही तरीके का मैसेज cryptic पूरे all over the city, it irritates the person.
Hmm.
कि what is it? I need to figure it out. I need to figure it
Oh.
out. Because your mind is a problem solving machine, right? It has to solve that problem.
Very nice.
Otherwise it'll keep. होता है ना कभी कभार आपको एक वर्ड याद नहीं आ रहा होता है, आप कहते हैं, रुक जा यार, I can't continue with this conversation.
Correct.
मेरे को वर्ड याद नहीं आ रहा,
Word.
पहले तो मैं वहीं पे
वही-
वापस जाऊंगा.
True, true.
जब
Yeah,
तक
yeah.
मैं वो नहीं
Yes.
फटाफट निकाल के चैट जीपीटी पे कोई ये वाला वर्ड
Yes,
right?
yes, yes.
So till you don't solve that puzzle, you can't move forward.
So this is the kind of
This is the secret masala that we use.
masala that we
This is the secret masala that we use.
So what more secret masalas can we have, to craft better hooks, which a developer can definitely use in their marketing?
So again, you use benefit driven copy in your marketing.
And is it like the you're talking about feature or the benefit, and what's the difference between?
So a lot of people will talk about features कि इतना square feet area है, ये है वो.
And that's the benefit, right?
No, अभी तो पहले तो वो feature ही है, because it's a technical aspect.
Okay.
कि इतना square feet है, इतना carpet area है, इतना cover किया हुआ हमने, इतना super structure इतना है, इतना बड़ा क्लब हाउस है, ये है वो है, वो आपने बता दिया, ठीक है. एक सिंगल आदमी है, उसकी सिंगल फैमिली है, मतलब एक मैरिड आदमी है, उसकी फैमिली है, छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं, एक माँ बाप हैं, ठीक है. उसके लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है बेनिफिट जानना कि हाउ डज दिस स्पेस सर्व मी.
Okay.
राइट? सो व्हेन वी से, लेट्स से यू टॉकिंग अबाउट अ सिक्योरिटी फीचर कि जी हमारे अपार्टमेंट्स के अंदर देयर इज अ 3 रिंग सिक्योरिटी, राइट? दैट्स अ फीचर कि गेट के ऊपर एक है, फिर आप आगे जाओगे एक टार के नीचे है, एक और आगे है, वेरेवर हमने ये सिस्टम लगाया, वो सिस्टम लगाया, राइट? दैट इज द फीचर. It lands on the people, but not in the way you want them to, not in the way you want it to. If you say that, your children are secure,
Nice.
it's a peace of mind for you. It's a question about, having that peace of mind, knowing that even though you're in the office, right, your children are safe, playing in the park downstairs, playing in the tennis court, right? The way from the tennis court till your apartment is completely safe, right? That's what the buyer wants to hear. So instead of talking about features, you mention the features obviously in your brochures and all, but you need to talk in your messaging, you need to talk about the benefit and advantages that benefit gives you in the end.
Got it.
So that's the whole crux.
Crux.
That's the whole crux.
And what do you think, you mentioned about the subconscious mind.
Yeah.
So what is the role of subconscious mind in this overall plot of marketing?
Oh, sir,
according to you?
huge. You'll be surprised that it's an open secret that a lot of you will see a lot of experts talk about it on YouTube, on Instagram as well.
Yes.
That not most of your decisions, all of your decisions are made in the subconscious mind.
Okay.
Right.
And can you deep dive into it?
Yes, sure. So the marketing has to go there.
Okay.
The marketing message, whichever campaign we have seen has done well, we found out later on that somewhere the message was trickling down to the subconscious mind.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Right? And your subconscious mind, the first thing is it works on fear.
Mm-hmm.
It works on fear.
Okay.
So first thing is the subconscious mind wants to see is it safe?
Okay.
Am I safe?
Am I safe? Yes.
Is my investment safe?
Yes.
Is this builder going to deliver on time?
Yes.
What is he saying? Right? जो पेमेंट प्लान ये बोल रहे हैं,
Correct.
राइट, ये कुछ बिल्डर्स हैं, they give the timeline,
Correct.
आपको इतने महीने बाद देना है,
Correct.
right? But there are some very good builders, very good real estate developers who phase it out कि नहीं, फर्स्ट फेज में इतना बन जाएगा तब आपने इतना देना है, सेकंड फेज में इतना बन जाएगा तब आपने इतना देना है. आप देखेंगे उनकी कन्वर्जन हमेशा ज्यादा होती है.
Correct.
Why? Because the buyer feels, ठीक है, he's putting a condition on me, but he's putting a condition on himself also.
Yes.
He's putting where his money is.
Yes.
He's putting his mouth where his money is. Because he's also making himself accountable कि मैं वहां तक करूंगा, तब आप मेरे को नेक्स्ट पेमेंट रिलीज करना.
True.
Right? So that builds trust.
Trust.
अब सबकॉन्शियस माइंड सेज कि यार ये बहुत सेफ बेट है.
Yes.
ये सेफ है क्योंकि ये अब इसके ऊपर भी है. He won't ask me for money till he's completed that part.
Yeah, and I can relate. Today I was finalizing out one deal for with a CRM software.
Yeah.
We are changing, our CRM in our company. From 9 years we were using an X product, and now we're shifting after that 9 years to a new software.
Yeah.
And there are 4 different products in that one whole ecosystem which we are doing. So I can definitely relate with that. Since there are 4 different products, I told him, you divide this whole transaction into 4 parts, because deeply it was there in my mind that I'm not going to pay you for the whole system in one shot. You give me milestone based payment structure, and then complete one milestone, take the full payment for that. So I can definitely relate that human mind does look out for a safety net.
Yes, that's the first thing they look out for.
Correct.
So once your message, so in our strategy we divide कि कौन सा मैसेज कौन से साइकोलॉजिकल ट्रिगर के लिए जाएगा.
And क्या psychological triggers होते हैं?
Psychological triggers are one is logical.
Okay.
Because there's the logical side of your brain also.
Okay.
You need to satisfy that as well.
Okay.
Right? Because अगर आप emotionally if you want to buy something but logically it is stopping you, तो 50-50 चांस हो जाता है कि आप खरीदोगे या नहीं खरीदोगे. If you're somebody who has good self-control, you will not buy.
Wow.
Right? If you're somebody with a bit of less self-control, जो थोड़ा सा बह जाता है, तो खरीद लेगा. Right?
Something like me.
That buyer will buy it, right? So कहीं ना कहीं we work on those कि एक लॉजिकल है, एक लॉजिकल हुक यूज करना पड़ता है मैसेजिंग के अंदर, एक इमोशनल हुक यूज करना पड़ता है. ठीक है. फिर कई लोगों के लिए स्कैसिटी हुक भी यूज करना पड़ता है. जब तक उनको ये ना लगे कि ट्रेन निकल जाएगी तब तक वो नहीं चलते.
Wow. Yes.
You have to show them कि लिमिटेड टाइम का डील है, ये लिमिटेड पीरियड का ऑफर है, या हमारे पास लिमिटेड इन्वेंट्री है और हम ये इतने में बेचकर बंद कर देंगे.
करेक्ट.
ठीक है. वहां पे थोड़ा सा केयरफुल ये रहना पड़ता है कि यू डोंट लूज ट्रस्ट इन द सेंस व्हेन यू से यू आर गोइंग टू क्लोज इट ऑन एक्स डे, देन यू क्लोज इट ऑन एक्स डे. करेक्ट. राइट. आप उसके बाद ओपन रखोगे, वंस यू लूज दैट ट्रस्ट तो फिर
देन इट वैनिशेस,
इट डजंट लैंड. हमने एक बार एक डेवलपर के साथ बात हुई थी तो हमने ये बोला था, तो उन्होंने कहा हाँ ये करते हैं. अभी वहां पे जब डे आया तो थोड़ी बहुत इन्वेंट्री बची थी, तो वी सेड कि आप अभी इसको बंद कर दो, वी विल फिगर आउट सम अदर वे of reopening the inventory and showing it as a backdoor or something as a later on thing.
Correct.
But he was hell bent कि नहीं अभी ही निकाल दो इसको.
True.
Now that was very short sighted because we thought कि आप next time you can't use this thing now because people will be like हाँ ये इंसान बोलता है but बाद में भी जाओ तो मिल जाता है.
Right.
Right.
True that.
वो वाला चीज नहीं होनी चाहिए. right? Then we also work on something called herd mentality.
Mhm.
Herd mentality is, see, when you're buying a house, right, Ankur? You are buying a house. Your focus is not just on the house.
Mhm.
Your focus is also on the neighborhood,
Correct. The community, yes.
the community.
Correct.
किसके साथ आपके बच्चे खेलेंगे? That's very very important.
Correct.
For most of the young parents, आज के जो parents हैं उनके लिए तो बहुत massively important है कि मेरा बच्चा मेरे टाइप के लोगों के साथ ही मिंगल
Interact
कर
करेगा
रहा
या
है,
नहीं करेगा?
ही मिंगल कर रहा है,
Correct. Correct.
राइट? सो आपको मार्केटिंग मैसेज के अंदर वो भी बड़ा क्लियर करना पड़ता है. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम सेइंग कि अगर आप 100 लोगों को जानते हो तो यू कांट मेक द हाउस फॉर दो 100 पीपल टुगेदर.
100 people.
यू शुड मेक फॉर 20 पीपल और 30 पीपल को दिमाग में रख के,
Very nice.
एंड देन टारगेट देम कि ये लोग खरीद लें सारे के सारे यहाँ पे.
Absolutely.
Right.
Absolutely.
And it is in the marketing, it is not about your product. It is about the user. User is the hero.
Wow.
Like you will see in Nike, they've done this. In Nike, they've done this. Nike does not talk about their product. They don't talk about the shoe they are making. They don't talk about the sole. They don't talk about the comfort. हल्का फुल्का कर देते हैं, but that's not the major focus.
No, never.
The major focus is they are celebrating sports, and they are
True.
celebrating sports people. Right? This is something I saw. I won't say this is something I came up with, but yes, I saw it in one of the reels and in one of the videos, and yes, I agree with it. It resonates.
Yeah, it resonates.
It resonates.
They are celebrating the sportsmanship
Yes,
of the brilliant sports people across the globe.
yes, and so what they've done is basically when you think about excellence in sports, what do you think about? Nike.
Correct.
Nike.
Correct.
Right? So once you start showing once you create that herd and that community thing, that people with this kind of level of success in life are staying at our properties, are buying our properties, right? People who are thought leaders, people who are leaders in their fields, people who are experts, people who have accomplished something in their niche,
Correct.
right? They've made a big name for themselves.
True.
They're the kind of people who are living in this community. Sir, your project will sell itself. You don't need to sell it.
Beautiful.
Because the person would be like कि यार ठीक है मैं क्लब में जाऊंगा, I'll meet these people. Yeah,
Correct.
their kids will hang out with my kids.
My kids, yes.
And of course वही है वो क्या हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना, खरबूजे को देख के खरबूजा रंग बदलते था. तो जिस तरीके के लोगों के साथ you know that your child will hang out, तो वो वही लेवल निकल के बाहर आएगा.
Correct.
That's why, I mean, that's how parents choose schools also.
Yes, absolutely. Yes.
That's how parents choose schools.
Correct.
कि इस जगह पे भेजूंगा, इतना फीस है कोई बात नहीं, बट
Correct.
अब देखिए ना सारे स्कूल्स हैं तो सारे के सारे या तो सीबीएसई एफिलिएटेड है
Correct.
या आईबी एफिलिएटेड है,
Correct.
आईबी बोर्ड फॉलो कर रहे हैं या आईसीएसई बोर्ड फॉलो कर रहे हैं,
Correct.
whichever board it is, right? But what is the differentiating factor?
Yes. It's about
Who's
the
coming to
community.
that? Who's coming to that school? Who's coming to that school? Right? So this human angle is very important. Right?
Yeah.
So marketing again is not just about talking about the pool size. It is not about
Square feet.
about your clubhouse. Everybody has the clubhouse these days. There's a clubhouse in every society, wherever you go.
Correct.
Right? It has become one of the
Basic amenity.
one of the basic amenities. ये तो है ही.
ये तो है ही.
Like tomorrow you can't talk about we अब हमारी उस पे गेट लगा हुआ. अरे गेट तो हर जगह लगा हुआ.
Correct.
Right? What is beyond that?
Yeah.
So if you want that your buyer, is comfortable buying, you have to remove all the obstacles from their way. You have to make it very easy for them to decide, right? And you have to make sure that your message lands inside properly.
Beautiful.
So all these things go into a marketing strategy.
So while listening to you, Rahul, it seems out that it could be applicable to premium luxury segment. But
Yes.
what do you think about the mid segment, affordable segment? The same fundamentals, can they be applied to these two affordable and mid segment as well?
Yes, 100%.
How come?
How come? Okay. कोई भी लेवल का इंसान हो, right? Everybody has their needs. Everybody has their wants.
Correct.
ठीक है? And most importantly, everybody has their aspirations. And aspirations are always 1 or 2 level up.
Yes.
जो मैं अभी हूँ वो तो मैं हूँ,
Correct.
right? Where am I going from here?
Yes.
Where is the future headed towards?
Yes.
Right? तो अभी when you're talking about a mid segment, क्या कहते हैं, buyer, जो एक mid ticket size लेने का सोच रहा है, right? अब उसको क्या क्या चाहिए? Most of these are क्या कहते हैं, a lot of them are working professionals, right? उनको and they have only weekends off, and in those weekends, because they worked, you know, massive hours during the week, most of them they even want to travel out.
Yes.
Right, they want to go for a quick
Holiday.
1 day staycation or something like that. For a one quick they go for hiking, or they go for a 1 night stay or something somewhere, right? तो अभी जो आपका फोकस रहेगा पूरा मार्केटिंग का, जो आपकी मैसेजिंग का फोकस रहेगा, वो सारा का सारा उस बेसिस पे रहेगा.
Wow.
कि यार वी हैव some spaces inside our clubhouse where you can sit, enjoy the nature and work.
Very nice.
Because work from home is a very modern concept now.
Yeah.
And it's a very widely and hugely used concept.
Absolutely.
Right? A lot of firms are just, because now everything is on laptop, and thanks to COVID now everything is moved online.
I mean, last week, you know, we since we added one more vertical, we got 10 more people recruited.
Yeah.
Office was, you know, getting short of space.
Yeah.
All the sales people, we made them work on
from
their home. Yeah. And because everything is there's so many technologies tracking, everything is there.
Yeah.
So they can do work from home. That's correct.
Yeah. So एक और चीज जो बहुत ज्यादा important है, which I would really suggest to real estate developers and builders, is कि आप थोड़ा बहुत अपना ad spend पे चाहे कम कर दो, right? But spend that money on building your community of the buyers, right? Because see, believe it or not, 2025 के आगे का पूरा era is about relationship selling. You have to build that relationship with your buyer.
You want it or don't want it, that it's not a choice.
No, it's
matter.
not a choice anymore. It's not a choice anymore. You have to build that community. You have to build that relationship, right? That human touch has to be there. That human connection has to be there. And आप देखेंगे काफी लोग फिर एक ही जगह पर, जैसे एक किसी फ्रेंड ने खरीदा, राइट? वो 4 और पकड़ के लेकर आया कि मैं रह रहा हूं, because he wants his own community, he wants his own people, he feels safe. Wow.
Yeah. Oh, very
Again, it
deep.
goes back to safety.
Safety, yes.
He feels safe कि मेरे लोग हैं.
Correct.
Yeah, tomorrow something happens, they are there. Sharma ji वहाँ है, Verma ji वहाँ है, Gupta ji वहाँ है, Agarwal ji वहाँ है, right? So that's the
Safety net.
that's
that
the
we're
safety
looking
net we all look for.
And I think, Rahul, in this case, since if we go back, let's say 20, 30 years back, there used to be joint families. Gone are those days where, let's say, 30, 40 people are, you know, staying under one roof.
Yeah.
It's very rare you find.
But then communities are basically a replacement of that only.
Exactly.
Right? It is a replacement of that only.
Exactly.
So, and the stakes are very high for a real estate developer because aapka ticket size is high.
Correct.
So your stakes are higher than
Very
a person selling a low ticket product or
Correct.
service.
Correct.
Right? Your
Correct.
stakes are very high.
Very high.
You should be investing more money on it. आप एक कम्युनिटी बिल्ड कराने में जो आप हेल्प कर सकते हो, मैं ये कहता हूं कि आप करो. आपके फर्स्ट 50 बायर्स हो गए हैं, राइट? Give them a chance to mingle with each other.
Wow.
Give them a chance to get to know each other. You know, host some Sufi night for them, some Qawwali night for them, some Shairi for them,
Correct.
some Salsa night for them. Anything that brings the people closer. Because when people get more value, अभी तो आपको उन्होंने सिर्फ पैसा घर का दिया है, राइट? छत का पैसा दिया है आपको.
Correct.
आपको इतने 3 बेडरूम का पैसा दिया है या 2 बेडरूम का पैसा दिया है या एक स्टडी का, जो भी आपको पैसा मिला है, उसने वो पैसा दे दिया, राइट? दैट इज द ट्रांजैक्शन अभी तक जो एक बिल्डर के साथ या एक डेवलपर के साथ लोगों की है, कि हमने आपको पैसा दिया, आपने हमको घर दे दिया. इट एंड्स देयर.
Correct.
Now, if you go one step ahead, one step you take extra, and you give people a chance to build good human connection with the people around them. It gives them a sense of belonging. It gives them a sense of a sense of safety. Then they become your brand ambassadors without even saying. Right?
Beautiful.
और इसका एक सबसे बढ़िया तरीका ये है कि आपने एक अपना प्रोजेक्ट किया, वहां पर आपके बायर्स आ गए. आप मान लीजिए आपने एक बार उनको बेचा, 3 साल में आपने मुड़ के नहीं देखा, राइट? आप गए ही नहीं वापस पूछने के लिए क्या है क्या नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. नया प्रोजेक्ट आया, किसी ने कहा सर एक काम करते हैं, वहां पे जाकर एक अपना टेंट लगा देते हैं और छोटा सा कि हम एक नया प्रोजेक्ट ला रहे हैं, आइए खरीदिए. इट इज प्योरली ट्रांजैक्शनल.
करेक्ट.
आपने कोई कनेक्ट तो बनाया नहीं. जिस दिन आपका नया प्रोजेक्ट आ रहा है, आप आ गए फटाफट से, कि हमारा नया प्रोजेक्ट आ रहा है, आ जाओ आप भी देख लो. नाउ पीपल हु आर हैप्पी विद योर प्रोजेक्ट विल बाय. एंड there are bad apples everywhere. Yeah, there are bad people who have had bad experiences everywhere, no matter how hard you try.
Correct.
Right? तो आपका वहां पे क्या कहते हैं, कन्वर्जन जो है वो सिंक कर जाएगा, टैंक कर जाएगा.
Beautiful.
राइट. यही अगर आप एक कांस्टेंट टच में हैं, आप उनके लिए कुछ ना कुछ करते जा रहे हैं, एंड देन एक सटल तरीके से आप बता दें कि हाँ जी, in the next one we will tell you a bit more about this project that we are coming up with. Now you're building excitement.
Correct.
Now you're building excitement. एक दिल्ली का स्कूल है, आई विल नॉट नेम द स्कूल, बट उसकी पेरेंट की कम्युनिटी इतनी स्ट्रांग है कि अगर कोई एक पेरेंट बैठकर, जैसे होता है ना, बाद में आपने किटी पार्टी ज्वाइन करी हुई है या एक ग्रुप बनाया हुआ है छोटा सा, उसमें अगर कोई पेरेंट बैठ के बोल दे उस स्कूल के बारे में, ये मैंने खुद अपने मतलब एक्सपीरियंस किया. वसंत विहार में आई वाज सिटिंग इन अ कॉफी शॉप एंड आई एक्सपीरियंस्ड दिस, दैट one of the parents said something about the school management, yeah, कि this is not the way they are running the school, ये ठीक नहीं है, ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है. सारे पेरेंट्स उस पर पड़ गए कि नहीं ऐसे कैसे बोल दिया.
Wow.
You're wrong. Now, can you imagine parents are fighting other parents to defend the school?
Wow.
To defend the management. Have you ever heard of such a thing?
No.
No. That is the only school in Delhi which is investing heavily in building a community.
Wow.
कि उसके खुद के, because see, people start feeling a sense of belonging कि ये हमारा है. This society is ours.
Ours.
These apartments are ours. Right? Nobody can talk shit about these things.
Correct.
Right? We will fight back. तो आपको and imagine those kind of people becoming your brand ambassadors.
Wow.
उससे better marketing क्या हो सकती?
And your cost of marketing goes drastically down.
Yes. आप जितने में एक होर्डिंग लगा रहे हो, 3 महीने के लिए आपने एक होर्डिंग मेन स्ट्रीट के ऊपर किराए पे ले लिया, आप दे रहे हो वहाँ पे 20-25 लाख रुपए दे रहे हो उसका, आप इस पे लगा दो ना.
Correct.
2-4 लाख रुपए के एक इवेंट, 2-4 लाख रुपए का दूसरा इवेंट, ऐसे करके आप स्पेंड ऑन देम.
Spend on them.
सर, cost of acquiring a new customer is very, very high compared to selling to somebody who's already bought something from you.
Beautiful.
That is an upsell, right?
Correct.
या क्रॉस सेल मान लीजिए.
Correct.
The person who's already bought from you is already your fan.
Yes. That's why they have bought.
That's why they bought. He already believes in your product.
Correct.
Or she already believes in your services and product.
Correct.
That's why they bought it from you.
Absolutely.
Right? अभी आपको दूसरी नई लीड्स के चक्कर में आप इनको भूल जाते हो जिन्होंने आपसे खरीदा है. अरे वहां पे ऑलरेडी हाफ वर्क इज डन. यू जस्ट नीड टू प्रेजेंट अनदर प्रोडक्ट.
Correct.
एंड यू स्टार्ट स्ट्रेट फ्रॉम द ऑफर कि भाई मैं ये भी ला रहा हूँ और इसमें ये चीज भी है, आपने ये खरीदा, यू कैन बाय दिस ऑल्सो. दे विल बी द फर्स्ट वंस टू बाय.
Very nice. Very nice.
Right?
It's a very fresh perspective. I think all the developers would really need to just implement that.
Yes. Focus on your existing customers. They are a gold mine, which, sorry, but a lot of people, lot of developers, they overlook.
Very nice.
They are they are a power pack if used properly. And you know, you are giving them good. I mean, every builder when they start out, every developer when they start out, they put their heart and soul into the project. They want to build a good project. I have not met a single developer who says कि अरे नहीं quality के भाड़ में मुझे तो सिर्फ बेचना है. नहीं, they're all very attached to their product.
Oh yes, whenever they're finalizing each and everything, I see builders because I work with them very closely. I see the level of the detailing which they go into each and every finer detailing.
Yeah.
They are attached.
Yeah.
There is no question on it. But what I can learn from your conversation, Rahul, is that there is a very thick distinction between building a project and building a community.
Yes.
This is what my biggest takeaway is.
Mostly क्या होता है, जो developers हैं या वो हैं, they work very hard, but nobody sees it. Your buyer doesn't see your hard work. He only sees the building. end में जो बनकर आया है, right? And अभी ह्यूमन कनेक्ट जो हो सकता था वो नहीं हो पाया बिकॉज दे डिडंट सी यू एट वर्क, दे डिडंट सी बिहाइंड द सीन्स. BTS जिसको बोलते हैं हम लोग, BTS वीडियोस, उससे वो सब नहीं देखा कि कितना इसमें प्लानिंग गई है, कितने उसको क्यूरेट करके मेरे लिए चीज बनाई गई है. सो दे डोंट पुट दैट वैल्यू ऑन इट. Right? The buyer is like,
that should also be communicated.
Should be. That is a part of your marketing campaign again. How did this building come to be.
Exactly.
Right? In the end, you see the building, but what went behind the scenes should be visible. अभी बिल्डर्स से बात करो तो दे लाइक अरे नहीं सर, कस्टमर से बात नहीं करेंगे, वो तो कोई कहेगा मेरा ये नहीं चल रहा, कोई कहेगा मेरा वो नहीं चल रहा, मेरे को ये मेरे को वो प्रॉब्लम है.
This is bullseye.
Right? But सर आप कंप्लेन भी तो उसी को करोगे ना जिससे आपको लगता है कि यार ये सुनेगा.
Yes.
और
Very valid.
एक बारी आप अगर कल को आपकी वाइफ भी आके आपको कुछ कंप्लेन करती है, आप सुनते हो, तभी तो एक वो बॉन्ड क्रिएट होता है कि हाँ चलिए मेरी सुनता भी है, आपको मैं तो सुनूंगा ही नहीं,
Very
कंप्लेन तो मुझे सुननी ही नहीं.
nice. Very nice.
राइट? तो वो बॉन्ड तो टूट जाएगा ना. आपकी अपनी वाइफ से नहीं बन सकता, आप कस्टमर तो छोड़ो,
Correct.
कहां से बनेगा बॉन्ड?
True that.
बट इफ यू बिल्ड इट, इफ यू लिसन टू देयर प्रॉब्लम्स, बॉस अगर कोई देखो मेजर प्रॉब्लम होगी तो एज अ बिल्डर आपको सॉल्व तो वो करनी ही पड़ेगी.
And today, RERA coming into the picture, you cannot ignore it. That's for
It
sure.
will bust your balls. You will have to do it. You will have to fix the problem.
Correct.
राइट? आज की डेट में आपने जेप्टो से कुछ मंगवाया, अगर प्रोडक्ट भी गलत आ जाए वो भी वापस करते हैं, तो करना ही पड़ता है.
Absolutely. And that too, they give you something extra also on the top.
बिल्कुल.
Because they give you an added delight.
आप ये देखो ना, जोमैटो है, जेप्टो है, they've cracked this code.
Correct.
They have cracked the art of keeping the customer there.
Oh, yes.
उनको पता है इसको एक्वायर करने में कितनी जान लगी है. और वो बेच क्या रहा है? 10 रुपए का कुछ पैकेट, 50 रुपए का पैकेट, 200 रुपए का पैकेट. यार
हम भी करोड़ों रुपए
की चीज बेच रहे हो और आप
रुपए की,
और आप कह रहे हो मुझे बाहर मैं बात नहीं करूंगा.
And I think if we go much deeper, what you've already said, I would like to again reiterate to every developer that it is your own fear which you have created in your own mind.
Yes.
And the definition of fear is false evidence appearing real.
Yeah.
Many a times it is like when I didn't start my podcast, it was appearing to me, oh, it's so difficult. Who will come to my podcast, right?
Yeah.
How will I shoot it? There were like 100 loops which were created.
Yeah.
Because of which I was just procrastinating it.
Yes.
I feel the same for the developer as well, that many a times they keep on overthinking.
Yeah.
For the fact कि नहीं यार वो तो मेरे टूटी में से पानी नहीं आ रहा, तो उसके लिए भी मुझे बोलेगा. अगर मैं कल को इवेंट करूंगा तो वहां नेगेटिव मार्केटिंग होगी. तो I think this is something which stops them to build this community, as far as I have understood.
Yes.
Talking to the developers.
Yes. But it can turn into their biggest asset.
Wow.
क्योंकि फीडबैक राइट फ्रॉम द हॉर्सेस माउथ आपको मिल रहा है.
Correct.
राइट? एंड बहुत बारी ऐसा होता है, पीपल आर, योर बायर इज हैप्पी दैट यू आर लिसनिंग टू देम. आप सॉल्व नहीं भी करोगे एंड में.
Wow.
समटाइम्स यू सिंपली से सर ये पॉसिबल नहीं है, अब तो स्ट्रक्चर बन चुका है, बट वी विल ट्राई टू डू व्हाटएवर वी कैन. इतना ही सुनना है उसने.
Yeah.
इतना ही सुनना है उसने. बट आप ये तो आप एक्नॉलेज तो करो कि अच्छा हाँ मेरी वजह से तो तुम्हारे सर में दर्द हो रहा है.
Yeah.
आप कहो नहीं मुझसे तो बात ही मत करो, मुझसे बात ही मत करो. बट हाँ, देन एक फाइन डे यू पुट अ टेंट से कि मैं एक और नया प्रोडक्ट ला रहा हूँ, वहां पे भी आ जाओ. अरे यार पहले वाले तो तुमने सुनी.
Correct.
राइट? तो
Absolutely.
अब क्या है, जैसे ये मतलब इसके इतने मैसिव एडवांटेजेस हैं, कम्युनिटी बिल्डिंग के इतने मैसिव एडवांटेजेस हैं दैट आई डोंट थिंक एनीबडी हैज थॉट देम थ्रू इतना ज्यादा. कि अगर आप एक कम्युनिटी बिल्ड कर लेते हो, आपका सबसे बड़ा एडवांटेज क्या है? आपके सारे बायर आर इन वन फिजिकल लोकेशन. Online platforms, they don't enjoy that kind of luxury because their buyers are sitting in diverse
backgrounds.
उनको एक प्लेटफॉर्म पर
लाना
लाने में बहुत पैसा लगता है.
Correct.
राइट? आपका क्या लगना है? नीचे
Nothing.
लैंडस्केपिंग आपने करी हुई है, सुंदर आपने सब कुछ बनाया, वहां पे एक टेंट ही तो लगाना है.
Correct.
या आपने क्लब हाउस के अंदर एक इवेंट ही तो करना है. आप करो ना वो सब पार्ट. आप ये सोच रहे हो कि ये वाला प्रोजेक्ट इतने का बना था, इतने 1000 करोड़ का मैंने बेच दिया, इतना मैंने प्रॉफिट निकाल दिया, उसको दे दिया, उसको दे दिया, इसको दे दिया, मेरे पास इतना बचा. राइट? अब जब दूसरा प्रोजेक्ट की मार्केटिंग है, आप उसको स्क्रैच से शुरू कर रहे हो. मैं कह रहा हूं आप उसको प्रीवियस प्रोजेक्ट पे ले जाकर वहां से दूसरे प्रोजेक्ट के लिए आप इवेंट 4 करें, आपका आधा मार्केटिंग बजट बच जाएगा आगे. You will end up selling 50% of your inventory वहीं पे.
Correct.
This is what DLF has done, ना? DLF has built that kind of trust.
And community.
And community कि आज की डेट में वो मैप पे बिक जाता है उनका. सिर्फ बोल दे DLF के यहाँ बनाने के सोच रहे हो, लोग आ जाते हैं कि मेरा ले लो पहले.
Yes.
पहले मेरे पैसे ले लो.
Yes, they receive multifold times AOI right at the start stage itself.
Yes, sir. So just turn your communication into a two-way street. Don't just say what you have to say and then exit. Stay there, deal with people, thoda sa communicate with them, and you will see just merely listening to them will create a kind of bond you can't imagine otherwise. No matter how many hoardings you put up. I will say don't put up the hoarding. आसपास मत लगाइए आप, कोई point नहीं है.
Correct. I
Hoarding
remember.
भी क्या, you're talking to people, right?
Yeah.
You're talking to people.
Yeah.
But you're not ready to talk to people you've already sold to.
Wow.
That's the funny part, right?
Yeah. Irony.
That's the irony.
So I remember once I was sitting with a relationship coach.
Yeah.
And in the airplane, and we had just met accidentally, and she was just sitting next to me, and she said that your wife does not needs solutions.
Yes.
You better shut up because she has better solutions than you.
Yeah.
But she just needs empathy, and she just needs better listening.
Yeah.
If you get this straight,
Yeah.
your relationship is going to go.
Yeah, so
Like-
that's the recipe for happy marriage, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
so in a way-
I'm able to recall that.
In a way, you are not your customer as well. It's a different type of marriage.
Yes.
With your customer, it's a different type of marriage, right?
Correct.
Don't make it transactional. If you won the customer, they bought something from you, nurture it, because they will keep bringing repeat business again and again, and they are the easiest people to sell to.
Absolutely.
Trust
Absolutely.
is already there. They will
I
sell it
feel-
for you.
I feel then that means this does not require you to build 10, 20 projects and then you will start up building a community, because a lot of developers have a myth that I'm just building one project. It's just 50, like because I've traveled to tier 3 cities also. Tier 3 cities, they're just building, let's say, G+5, G+8. They have just started.
Yeah.
They just have probably first 30, 40, 50 customers. Because through this episode, we are reaching out to thousands of developers across the country. So for them, what do you think? They can start doing this right from the start, right?
Absolutely. Absolutely. The moment you have, say, 2, 3 buyers, 4, 5 buyers, you start there. You start small.
Starts.
You start very small. और पहले भी करते ही थे बिजनेसेस. ये
Correct.
जो दिवाली के ऊपर आप लोग गिफ्ट्स भेजते हो, ये क्या है बिजनेसेस?
Correct.
यही करते हैं. They are
ये-
trying to build a connection with the show their gratitude to the buyer कि यार आपने हमारे साथ business किया, you bought it from us, please do come again. That's what you're trying to do.
True.
Right? I'm just saying, do it at a massive scale later on when you grow.
Yes.
Don't forget the people who've bought it from you already. Right?
Correct.
क्योंकि ultimately आप अपने पे ही ज़्यादा effort डाल रहे हो then. You're putting in more effort, you're putting in more resources because you're convincing some new buyer right from scratch, right from the beginning. You have to start all over again.
Very
Right?
nice. Very
With these people, it's very simple.
Very nice. So that means there's a huge role of community to play in. And when I talk about, since you've emphasized a lot on USPs.
Yeah.
So what do you think what are the common mistakes in understanding the USP and then communicating it to their buyer?
Sir, again, ironical है. USP stands for
Unique
Unique
selling proposition.
proposition. Right? सबसे बड़ा mistake ही यही है. People forget that it's supposed to be unique.
Correct.
ठीक है?
Correct.
People है, अच्छा उसके लिए चल गया, मेरे लिए भी चल जाएगा. मैं भी तो वही बेच रहा हूँ.
Correct.
Right? If he's selling
Lots.
if he's selling plots, yeah, if he's highlighting clubhouse, मैं भी clubhouse बोल देता हूँ.
Correct.
Right? तो but sir वो unique तो है ही नहीं ना.
Yes.
वो तो सबके पास है. That's become a common selling proposition.
Common selling.
Right? तो unique आपको बैठकर literally you have to think about it.
To meditate over it rather.
Yes.
Nice.
You have to think कि मेरा क्या USP है. Be honest and be true. See, the first customer that you need to sell anything, be it a house, be it any product or service, is yourself. क्या है ना, आप खुद को तो बेच नहीं पा रहे हो. You're not convinced about the product, but you want the buyers, you want others to have trust in your product. पहले आप you should be sold to the idea कि हाँ मैं जो ये बेच रहा हूँ बेस्ट है, मैं जो ये बोल रहा हूँ सबसे प्रीमियम है, सबसे सुपीरियर है. This is what I have built.
But Rahul, in this case, what I have also experienced, people are convinced, developers are convinced with their own ideas,
Right.
because it's many a times it's coming from their past experience, or sometimes a little assumptions, or sometimes what the competition is doing.
Most of the times what the competition is doing.
Correct. But it is not again coming from a particular subset of the customer which you focused as a customer avatar, that you cannot focus on 100, you just got to narrow it down. And then not speaking to them does not give them the right inputs.
Yeah.
It's a combination of these two. So they are sold to themselves, but that input on which they've set the pivot, for which they've sold to themselves, it's good, very goody-goody, very rosy in their own world. But eventually the input which is coming is not coming from the right source. Are you getting it?
Yes.
So what's your take on that?
So basically what they're doing is, again, it's projection, and they think that this will work. As I said in the beginning, your why and that person's why are different. You're not selling it to yourself. You're selling it to that person.
Correct.
Right? And you have to be convinced. You have to sell the idea that what I'm selling to that person is the best thing. Right? मैं वहां पे कह रहा हूँ, ये एक अलग पार्ट हो गया कि आपको पहले खुद को, you should be sold on your product, in the sense you should have that confidence in your product. Right? Then उसमें से आप ये कहो कि हाँ, ये मेरा unique selling proposition है. This is my USP. कि जी हमने तो क्या कहते हैं, जो बेसमेंट है वहां पर ही डबल हाइट दे रखा है. It when you enter the society, it doesn't look cramped.
Correct.
It looks like a spacious thing. You know, wind is flowing. It feels airy. It feels fresh. Right? हमने नेचुरल जो वो था, जो नेचर है, उसको भी हम लोगों ने उस हिसाब से कल्टीवेट किया है, दैट इट गिव्स यू अ फ्रेश लुक.
Correct.
Right? That becomes your USP. That yoga point that your architect tells you कि इस जगह पर होना चाहिए, because वो it is overlooking a pond, especially if you're in Bangalore. There are a lot of, it's a city of lakes. Yeah? There are a lot of ponds and lakes over there.
Correct.
A lot of water bodies. तो अगर वहां पर आप उसको बना के बेच रहे हो, तो that becomes your USP.
Yes.
Right? अब अगर वो आपकी USP है, तो आप सोचो ना, आपकी थीम also has to connect somewhere. You can't say हमने तो बिल्कुल मैट्रिक्स स्टाइल का वो बना दिया है, हाईटेक पूरा का पूरा अपार्टमेंट बना दिया, बट ये हमारा एक नेचर का कॉर्नर है. तो दैट नेचर का कॉर्नर कैन नॉट बी योर मार्केटिंग का कैंपेन का मेन मैसेज, बिकॉज द बिल्डिंग इन दैट इज नॉट इन सिंक,
नॉट रेजोनेटिंग.
इट्स नॉट राइट.
करेक्ट.
इसीलिए मैं कह रहा हूं कि आपकी मार्केटिंग स्ट्रैटेजी, आपकी आर्किटेक्चरल जो थीम आप चूज कर रहे हो, दे शुड ऑल हैपन इन द बिगिनिंग.
So not you emphasizing that the another mistake is the late thinking. Is this what
Yes, definitely. That's what we like. That's where we started from. Initially, that marketing is coming too late into the picture. Everything is already done. Now you want कि इस पे किसी तरीके से आप पेंट कर दो marketing.
Or it's a copycat approach.
टाइम है नहीं हमारे पास. ठीक है. सॉरी बट बजट भी ज्यादा नहीं बचा, बिकॉज सब चला गया. सरिया में चला गया, सीमेंट में चला गया, हर जगह चला गया. अभी इतना सा बचा है. ठीक है. और मुझे जल्दी से जल्दी सेल करना है, बिकॉज अभी कैश फ्लो घुमाना जरूरी है. करेक्ट. और मैं आपको एक बात और बता दूं, मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूं कि मार्केटिंग बजट आपका बढ़ जाएगा या कम हो जाएगा. मेरे ख्याल से मार्केटिंग बजट उतना ही रहेगा, बट आपका जो स्ट्रैटेजिस्ट है वो अगर शुरू से इन्वॉल्व रहेगा, अगर एजेंसी शुरू से इन्वॉल्व रहेगी, पैसे उतना ही लगेंगे बट रिजल्ट बेटर आएंगे, बिकॉज दे गेट द टाइम, they get to decide, they get to define the customer avatar sitting with you. Right?
Very nice.
ये सब चीजें आप आखिरी में आपके पास टाइम नहीं करने के लिए. आइडियली ऐसी चीजें होनी ही चाहिए किसी भी कैंपेन को करने से. किसी भी कैंपेन को आप करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, आपको ये चीजें करनी ही करनी है. इफ यू आर बाईपासिंग दैट, देन यू जस्ट ये वो लिपा पोती वाला काम चल रहा है. यू आर नॉट रियली बिल्डिंग अ स्ट्रैटेजी. देयर इज नो स्ट्रैटेजी. देयर इज जस्ट मार्केटिंग फॉर द हेक ऑफ इट.
So that means there is a huge distinction between doing marketing and first building the marketing strategy and then doing marketing. Is that what you mean?
Yes. 100%. तो आप शुरू में बुला लो, उतना ही पैसा लगेगा. I'm telling you, आपको उतना ही पैसा लगेगा. You won't end up spending more money just because the strategy has been involved in right from the word, right from the word go, right from the beginning.
I feel what you're saying is wrong.
Okay. Why?
Because rather you're saying उतना पैसा लगेगा, मुझे लगता है उल्टा पैसा कम लगेगा. Because when you get better ROI, तो आपका पैसा तो कम लगा ना.
अच्छा, in terms of that, yes, you will sell more. हाँ, मतलब what I mean,
cost of capital अगर कम हो गई, because आपकी हर एक महीने की करोड़ों रुपए की इंटरेस्ट कॉस्ट है. We cannot forget that, right? आज आपका माल अगर 1.5 साल में बिकना था, आपका माल अगर 10 महीने में बिकता है, तो इंटर्न वो जो करोड़ों रुपए आपके बचे, it is a cost saved, right?
Yeah, 100%.
So Rahul, I would like to ask you another question, that when we talk about different asset classes, so in that cases, how does the marketing strategy differs in all these kinds of asset classes?
Oh, there's a huge difference. Let's say we're talking about the residential residential apartments that you're making. Then there is the commercial plots, the commercial offices, office spaces you're making, or you're selling plots, right? The strategy for all three is different because the buyer mentality is different for all the three,
Correct.
right?
Correct.
Residential wala is looking to get all the amenities for the least price possible, right? उनको premium सब कुछ look चाहिए and everything they want all the amenities, right?
And again, depending on what kind of avatar you've chosen. Right?
Yes,
That's what you already
so
talked.
that's what I'm saying. Yeah.
Yeah.
अभी जो commercial office space ले रहा है वो ये सोच रहा है कि 10 years के बाद मेरे ऑफिस की जो वैल्यू है that will be climb or not, उसके दिमाग में ये भी चल रहा है कि ये redundant तो नहीं हो जाएगी जगह,
Correct.
right? And then जो gated community, जो plots खरीद रहा है एक gated community के अंदर, जो that person is actually going to build his dream house over there,
Correct.
right? He wants to stay there.
Correct.
उसको अपने स्टेटस का बहुत ज्यादा है, उसको रिटर्न से इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता, स्पेशली इन टियर 2 टियर 3 सिटीज.
True.
रिटर्न वगैरह वो मैं देख लूंगा और जगह से मैं पैसा बना लूंगा, राइट? मेरे को ये प्लॉट के अंदर ऐसा वो अपना हवेली बनाना है, ऐसा लाइफस्टाइल बनाना है कि that should suit my status,
Reflect my status.
that should reflect my status. आप मानो कि टियर 2 सिटीज के अंदर, जहाँ पे भी मैं भी पीछे गया हुआ था सेंट्रल इंडिया के अंदर, they are selling plots and will you believe 90% of their buyers, they don't buy one plot, they buy 2 plots.
Why so?
or they buy 3 plots.
Why?
क्योंकि सर घर में 2 भाई हैं या 3 भाई हैं और उनको चाहिए कि दोनों का एक प्लॉट करके सेम घर बनाएंगे.
Wow.
बड़े वाले को ये ना लगे छोटे को ज्यादा मिल गया, छोटे वाले को ये ना लगे बड़े वाले भैया ज्यादा लगे, राइट? तो आई सॉ कुछ प्लॉट्स तो बन चुके हैं, मतलब घर आर ऑलरेडी अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन या नियरली कंप्लीटेड, एंड वही है, दोनों घर सेम है. ये हम लोग टीवी में एड्स देखते थे, छोटा भाई बड़ा भाई का घर सेम है, वो फनी एड्स आती थी बीच में कि वो सीमेंट की एड आती थी या समथिंग, बट दैट इज रियलिटी.
Correct.
that reflects the mentality. right? So again, कस्टमर एवेटार पे बार बार हम लोग जाएंगे कि कस्टमर एवेटार अगर आपने सही फिक्स कर लिया,
डिकोड कर लिया,
अब आप जो प्लॉट लेने में इंटरेस्टेड, आप उसको ऑफिस बेचने के लिए वो वाली बातें बोल रहे हो जो एक प्लॉट ओनर को सुननी चाहिए. हाउ विल दे रेजोनेट, हाउ विल दे लैंड? दे वोंट. वो सुनेगा कि वो चला जाएगा कि इट डजंट मेक सेंस, बिकॉज़ इट्स नॉट मेकिंग सेंस टू हिम, राइट? तो डिफरेंट एसेट क्लासेस के अंदर 100% मार्केटिंग स्ट्रैटेजी डिफरेंट होनी चाहिए. आप कोई एक चीज को दूसरी चीज पे कैरी ऑन नहीं कर सकते, बिकॉज योर बायर मे बी द सेम बट हिज मेंटालिटी हैज शिफ्टेड. अगर वो एक आपसे उसने प्लॉट भी ले लिया और आपने कहा यार हमने वहां पे ऑफिस स्पेसेस भी बनाई है, जब वो ऑफिस स्पेसेस देखने जाएगा उसकी मेंटालिटी हैज शिफ्टेड. ही इज नॉट गोइंग टू स्टे इन दैट ऑफिस स्पेस.
वेरी नाइस.
ही इज गोइंग टू वर्क आउट दैट ऑफिस स्पेस. मेबी ही इज गोइंग टू इन्वेस्ट इन दैट ऑफिस स्पेस टू सेल इट लेटर.
करेक्ट.
तो ऑब्वियसली द मार्केटिंग मैसेज इज वेरी वेरी डिफरेंट. Very different.
Beautiful. So my next question to you is, when a developer approaches you, what's the first thing you do?
As in when we start, so first question तो we ask you, where are you in your construction journey? कहाँ तक आपका बन चुका है? जितना जल्दी आ जाता है उतना we are relieved कि चलिए, अभी still it's in the nascent stages. तो
the ball is in your court then.
Yeah, because then we understand कि buyer को एक तो जो हमारे जो client है, जो developer है, उनको urgency कितनी है हमें समझ में आ जाता है.
Correct.
Right? हमें पता चल जाता है how much room we have.
Correct.
To play. उसके हिसाब से फिर we start designing the strategy. Because if it's nearly finished, finishing line पर है, तो our main aim is कि at the earliest we visit the site physically, go look at it, talk to people around, talk to their staff who's already there, कि they give you a lot of good feedback and they give you a lot of value in terms of information. So we understand, and then we get to work where first, as I said again, we start from building the customer avatar. उस पे ही बहुत सारी meetings होती हैं, because till we don't get that right, we don't move forward. That's like my agency's philosophy. We don't move forward till we have figured out the customer avatar to the deepest level possible. Because we know that once that is done, half the work is bad. Half the battle is won already. So from there we take, and then we start building the strategy based on, as I said, the first thing has to be quirky just to get the focus. Then we build the connect by teasing the pain points of the buyer. And then we present the offer, and then we solidify the offer by presenting proof. Agar aapka, let's say it's your first project, then we use borrowed proof. Borrowed proof means like if I'm giving you an example of some other building, right, or some other project, then it's very clear to you that I am putting that as my goal, as that's what I'm aspiring to do. If I'm talking about that product,
Correct.
right, I'm talking about that project कि मैं भी ऐसा ही बना रहा हूँ.
Correct.
This is only for the builders who are building it for the first
time.
right? But अगर आप already बना चुके हो, तो you just have to start emphasizing that our previous project was delivered on time. There are no complaints. There are happy customers, happy testimonials, and those testimonials we prefer that they come from community events. Instead of ये जो आजकल ज़्यादा वो video testimonials चल रहे हैं, आप you put that person in that zone where we're going to ask you question and you're going to tell us this. Correct. And then we're going to later on edit it. So they again, people know that these are more they are more like dummy, or they are more pre-decided है ये सब कुछ. Right?
True that.
But if an event is happening and you suddenly get hold of people, then the message that comes across is very authentic. It's very believable.
Yes.
And so in our marketing, we try to include messaging which is as authentic as it can be, because we deeply feel that anything fake that you're saying, you can't say it with conviction, with that same level of conviction. So that will not land. Somewhere the customer will feel that disconnect. Maybe they will not be able to put it in words. Maybe they will not be able to pinpoint कि हाँ मुझे ये गड़बड़ लग रही है. But they'll be like, सब कुछ ठीक है, but there's something that sixth sense is saying नहीं. नहीं, I will not go for this. So if you're authentic and if you are giving out the real picture, even if there are some errors and mistakes, your buyer will still connect.
Very nice. And let's say, since so far you've helped many real estate developers to get their launch done, correct? So how do you integrate all those USPs into their launch?
So like most of the times what happens is, like they start with the clubhouse, that the clubhouse is ready, so we're going to throw a launch party where people can come in and people can be a part of this whole event that we are doing. वहाँ पर we generally recommend that you need a showstopper, you need a guest puller. So we do need to introduce in the event we do need a celebrity face, right? But celebrity face, we don't advise you to get somebody just to cut the ribbon, right? We advise that you get somebody who can entertain the crowd as well. Maybe a good singer, maybe somebody like Neha Bhasin, or somebody like Sukhbir, or somebody Badshah if you can afford, or anybody. Depends on your budget basically.
Correct.
But that launch event is supposed to mark you on the map. It is supposed to put you on the map. It is supposed to be a big deal. We can't underplay it.
Correct.
We can't underplay it. Getting people there and making them walk around the clubhouse, showing them the clubhouse is good, of course, but it's not going to pull the crowd in. It's not going to pull the crowd in. क्या होगा आपके क्लब हाउस के अंदर? जिम होगा, पिकल बॉल वाला होगा, एरिया होगा, यही सब होगा ना आपका. स्पा होगा, सौना होगा, जो भी होगा आपने जो भी बनाया अंदर, राइट? वो सब is an added thing, right?
Correct.
First you need to pull the customer in. उसके लिए एक shock value आपको चाहिए, and the shock value is provided by something that is so extraordinary, like you do a drone show. You're writing your name in the sky for the city to witness.
Wow.
Right? इससे बड़ा, I mean, you have to, वो होता है ना, everything starts with a big bang. You have to come with a big bang.
Correct.
Right? तो we say कि आप launch कर रहे हो अपनी USP को, हम लोग वहाँ पर we will unveil your USP there, ठीक है? But जो आपके target audience हैं, you send them personalized invites with nice boxes. You invite them with respect and excite them that something major is happening and this person is coming to perform. So you invest in that launch event. We say yes, invest massively, because that is going to deliver a massive ROI in the end. Because that's where the footfall comes in. जितना मर्जी आप हाईटेक कर लो, आज भी कोई घर ऑनलाइन नहीं खरीदता है. People want to see it. People want to see it with
100%.
their own eyes.
100%.
Right? People want to come there, see the space. Even photos pe nahi koi. I mean, you show them, somebody show the photos to somebody and like, हाँ ठीक है, but
Correct. They want to
even
physically.
car for that
Yeah,
matter,
yeah.
you want to feel the car, you want to feel the fabric, you want to test drive it. Same way, ये जितने भी आपके जो products हैं which are like offline
High ticket.
high ticket products, nobody invests without getting a feel of that place.
Correct.
And when they come there for the first time, if you make them feel premium, if you make them feel good about everything, the sale is done nearly. Then it's just then your sales staff is just basically, you know, just a matter of formality, I think.
So walking them through and just making them aware about.
Yes. But your sales also, just on a side note, your sales team also must adhere to the marketing message that has already gone out.
Yeah.
They should not.
That also has to be in sync.
Yes. Because if
Okay.
they are saying something else,
Hmm.
and you are your message was something else, then again the customer is coming in with a preconceived notion कि this is what I'm going for,
Correct.
and then they see यहाँ पे कुछ और ही है. There is a disconnect. Again, they will not buy. They will not know why they are not buying, why they are not sold.
Oh, very.
They will not know.
Very deep.
But main reason is this, that there's a disconnect between the message that you were sending out
in the marketing.
and the message that is there in the visual when they land there, or there in the sales team's pitch.
Oh, so that means all three have to be in very, very in deep sync. This is what you
sir.
mean?
Yes, sir, definitely. तो यही है, अगर आपका मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजी आपके साथ शुरू से लगा हुआ है, उसके पास टाइम है आपकी सेल्स टीम को भी फिर बताने का कि this is what we are doing.
Correct.
This is what you got to be talking about.
Correct.
Talk about this.
Correct.
Because this is what is bringing people in. And when they ask you about more stuff, you can talk about these features as well.
Beautiful. Very nice. Very nice. So according to you, what are the different channels based on their effectiveness you guide the developers to invest on?
See, आपके होर्डिंग्स तो हैं ही इम्पोर्टेंट. ऑफलाइन चैनल की बात करें तो होर्डिंग इम्पोर्टेंट है. न्यूज़पेपर एड्स भी इम्पोर्टेंट हैं कहीं ना कहीं. मैं ये नहीं कहूँगा कि, बट मैं ये ज़रूर बोलूँगा कि बी अ बिट क्रिएटिव इन दैट. डोंट जस्ट पुट अ बिल्डिंग का फोटो देयर. पुट समथिंग other than that.
Correct.
Make the agency work hard on that. Don't just take the first photo that they send and हाँ ये बढ़िया लगा दो.
True.
Don't do that. Right? और बाकी I feel Instagram, obviously, because Instagram में shorts, आजकल attention span कम है, तो आपका Instagram should be very, very powerful उस हिसाब से. The marketing message should flow there consistently. Offline में जैसे मैंने बोला, we really focus on doing some mall activations. जहाँ पे मॉल के अंदर फुटफॉल हो रही है, वहाँ पे आप जरूर करिए, एडवर्टाइज जरूर करिए, स्पेशली बिफोर द लॉन्च.
Correct.
2-3 weeks before the launch, make sure you advertise there. We suggest people that they do some activations at the airport if their budget allows. If their budget allows, especially in the waiting lounge of the airport. Right? We suggest that you do a coffee table book and send it to to the dentist's office. A builder hai aap, right?
Correct.
You're already a big person in your society, I'm sure. That's why you're a builder, or a real estate developer is never a small person.
Correct.
Right? You know who's who of your circle. Or of your city, right? And अगर जहाँ पे भी एक waiting area है,
Wow.
right? आपके किसी डेंटिस्ट के यहाँ पर है, या कोई भी और कोई डॉक्टर फ्रेंड है, या कोई भी ऐसी जगह जहाँ पे people go and wait.
And it's so cheap.
It is.
It's dirt cheap. I mean, like,
It's
never thought, but dirt cheap.
It's nearly free,
Nearly free.
right?
Yes.
I mean, if you make a nice coffee table book and you talk about your legacy and you talk about your project, the upcoming project, people like to scan through things, right? अब थोड़ा कम हो गया because people are still on their phones, but I still feel
Yeah.
if a nice coffee table book
It's
is there, people like to check it.
People like to check it
People
out.
like to check it out because कहीं ना कहीं reels भी अब थोड़ी monotonous सी होती जा रही हैं. It's the same
True.
kind of reels that people are seeing everywhere, right? And the best part is that if somebody is at the subconscious level has decided to buy or is looking to buy a house, वो जरूर पड़ेगा उस coffee table.
Oh, yes. And that's how, you'll filter it out.
उसको जरूर मिलेगी.
Correct.
अगर आप ये कर सकते करिए. आप अगर जो प्लेन के अंदर मैगजीन्स होती हैं उसमें अगर आप अपना एक ऐड कर सकते हैं तो वो ज़रूर करिए. किसी भी जिस मंथ में आपका लॉन्च है उससे एक मंथ पहले कर दीजिए समथिंग, उसके अंदर एक आर्टिकल करवा दीजिए, बिकॉज अगेन व्हेन पीपल आर फ्लाइंग मोस्ट ऑफ टाइम्स दे कांट रियली गो एनीवेयर, तो आपको वहाँ पे फोकस मिल जाता है,
Correct.
which is a very very expensive currency these days, by the way.
Correct.
So wherever we can tap into that, we tell them कि you should tap into that. People should see your logo. People should see your, it's very important to make your brand manual.
Brand
overlook-
manual?
Yeah, brand
So
manual.
something like a brand Bible, you mean?
Yeah, brand Bible. You have
Okay.
to make that. People overlook that a lot of times. कि अरे एक logo दे दो कोई बात नहीं. नहीं, your typography, your everything should be consistent everywhere.
So what exactly is brand Bible, and what all is covered in that, and what mistakes developers do in that?
So a brand Bible basically has, today you like a certain logo. Today you like a certain color. Tomorrow you may not. You may think, yeah, ठीक है, right? And tomorrow today one agency is working for you who's creating all the collaterals like brochures and all. एक agency बना रही है. उन्होंने एक आपको बना के दे दिया. उन्होंने एक color code ले लिया, एक grey color, किसी type का color, grey color एक shade में ले लिया, right? And then you pass it on to another designing agency later on. Some other collateral they are making. It is not in sync because they are choosing grey but some other shade. So what a brand Bible does is it defines the exact shade, the exact typography, the exact way the logo is going to look, the exact way your advertising, your marketing material is going to look, so that there is consistency
Very nice.
all throughout. So that Bible is very important to lock down right in the beginning. So again, you go to an agency and say, premium बना दो. So they will say, okay, चलो premium बना दो. That's a very very broad term that you've used. Premium बना दो. किसके लिए premium? आपके लिए premium will be different from my premium.
Correct.
Right? But क्योंकि आपने तो कस्टमर एवेटार बनाया नहीं है, आप तो कह रहे हो पहले बना तो ले फिर बेच भी लेंगे, राइट? बिक ही जाएगा उस जगह पे, इनका उस ग्रुप का बिक गया तो हमारा भी बिक जाएगा. मार्केट में मेरे को चैनल पार्टनर्स ने बताया ऑलरेडी बहुत डिमांड है, उस चक्कर में तो आपने बना दिया, राइट? बट अगर आप पहले से ही बाइबल को, अगर आप कस्टमर एवेटार लॉक कर लेते हो, आप अपनी बाइबल बना लेते हो, तो आपके अब जितने प्रोजेक्ट्स आएंगे, आपका नाम कैसे लिखा जाएगा प्रोजेक्ट से पहले या प्रोजेक्ट के बाद, लाइक आप DLF Emporio लिख रहे हो या Emporio by DLF लिख रहे हो, एवरीथिंग इज डिफाइंड इन द
Brand Bible.
ब्रांड बाय.
Very nice.
और किस लेवल पे कर रहे हो. कभी कभार ऐसा होता है कि कोई बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट होगा तो पहले हमारा लोगो आएगा एंड देन प्रोजेक्ट का नाम आएगा. छोटा प्रोजेक्ट है तो आप पहले प्रोजेक्ट का नाम लगाए थे, बाय के साथ फिर आप अपना लगाते, जैसे बहुत आजकल
Yes.
होटल्स बहुत सारे कर रहे हैं
Correct.
या वेस्टर्न वगैरह ये बहुत सारे लोग कर रहे हैं इस
Correct.
तरीके से. तो वो सब ब्रांड बाइबल में ऑलरेडी
Documented.
डॉक्यूमेंटेड होता है. इट इज डन विद इन कंसल्टेशन विद द ओनर, बट दैट नीड्स टू बी टाइट. That needs to be tight because then tomorrow the marketing is very consistent. Then
Beautiful.
then any strategist that you're hiring tomorrow or later on for another project also will know that this is the basic that I have to stick with.
And I feel all these things are very subtle, but yet they, as an outcome, when it creates an impact, it's very deep.
Yes. So see, basically they minimize chaos, and nobody likes chaos.
Correct.
People don't like chaos. People like to make something meaningful out of a chaotic situation.
Correct.
Right? Till they, again, because chaos instills fear. And when you're fearful, you will not buy. You will not buy. You will not put your money where you're not sure. Lottery, share market is a different thing. वहाँ पे आप इकट्ठे आप भी एक शेयर के ऊपर 1 करोड़ नहीं लगाओगे, 2 करोड़ नहीं लगाओगे.
Correct.
वहाँ पे टिकट साइज आप थोड़ा सा देख के चलते हो कि हाँ ठीक है.
Correct.
वहाँ पे भी you don't go on a hunch, right? You study the market, you research the market, then you invest money in a company, then you buy their shares, right? You read the news, you do dozens of different things before buying. तो यहाँ पर the whole onus of building that trust falls on you. Don't just build the building, build the trust as well with your customer.
And what would you suggest a developer, let's say if they are pretty tight on their budgets, the project is not of that scale, not that luxury, then in that case?
Sir, see, customer avatar बनाना तो free है, आप ही को तो बैठ के सोचना है.
Correct.
Please वहाँ से तो शुरू करो. You start with that, ठीक है? Then you get the brochure made as per your customer avatar. जो आपने उसके पेन पॉइंट्स निकाले हैं, जो आपने उसके डिजायर्स निकाले हैं, जो आपने उसकी नीड निकाली है, उन्हीं चीजों को आप अगर हाईलाइट करते जाओगे, दिस इज द वेरी बेसिक थिंग टू डू,
Hmm.
which requires only your time,
Not just features, huh?
not just features. Focus on the benefits.
Yeah.
That you can give to any agency and you can tell them to focus on the benefits.
Correct.
But हाँ, deep down thinking जो है, जब आप ज्यादा पैसे नहीं खर्चना चाहते तो आप खुद कर सकते हो वो. When you have the money, then you can hire somebody to do it for you
Correct.
and run things by you.
Correct.
Maybe they'll prepare a questionnaire, ask you a few questions, तो अपने आप need, desire और
Correct.
वो frustrations और fear वो सब अपने आप बाहर निकल कर आ जाते हैं.
Correct.
But you have to start with that.
Correct.
तो या तो आप खुद करो initially when you're tight on budget. Once you're not bootstrapped, you have the money, then you can hire somebody to do it for you. You can hire an expert to do it for you.
Correct. Correct. Correct.
But you need to do it. You have to start from there. That's the A of the whole marketing alphabet.
And Rahul, you mentioned a lot about branding, right? And I always have learned from my mentors that people first buy people.
Yeah.
Whom they know, like, and trust.
Yeah.
So, what's your take on the personal side of branding? Because I feel that is also another side, right? Which is equally important.
Yes. So as we were discussing a bit,
Is this an important point?
Yeah, it's very important. But honestly, every time I've spoken about this with the real estate developers, with builders, as I mentioned earlier, they go on a back foot. Ki nahi, I will not come in the front.
Why so?
Fear. वही कि टैप नहीं चल रहा होगा, मुझे पकड़ लेंगे. People will know who I am. People will know who's behind this company.
Correct.
Right? You should have confidence in your product. I'm sure you're making making it with a lot of love and a lot of hard work, right?
Correct.
Trust your product. Be out there. You see a lot of big business owners. Anand Mahindra ji hain, he's talking to people.
Correct.
You think उनके ट्विटर पे नहीं उनको सुनने को, उनके एक्स पे नहीं उनको सुनने को मिलता, ये हो गया वो हो गया.
Correct.
But people still appreciate that the person is at least, he's communicating with us. We see the face. Personal branding, I feel all the builders and all real estate owners, they should start at least at a small level.
Correct.
Right? आप अपनी niche के अंदर try and become a thought leader. Try and become a niche leader. उस हिसाब से try and add some value to people. Try and educate your buyers.
Nice.
Sir, if it is your product, a lot of people say, मैं अकेला थोड़ी बेच रहा हूँ बिल्डिंग, मैं अकेला थोड़ी बना रहा हूँ, मैं क्यों एजुकेट करूँ कस्टमर को? वो तो नहीं कर रहा. एजुकेट मैं करूंगा, कल को उसकी बिल्डिंग भी बिक जाएगी, मेरा तो कुछ मिला नहीं. ठीक है, that's a very, again, short-sighted way of looking at things. If you are educating, it is your product you're selling, right? It is your responsibility, sole responsibility, to educate people about that product. For which, if you need to write a book, you write a book. If you need to go for talks, you go for talk shows. If you need to go to events and talk about it, you go there and talk about it. You have to enter that whole buyer ka circle now. You can't just sit outside and say कि नहीं मेरा इस पे बोल के बेच दो, मेरा उस पे बोल के बेच दो. There'll come a time. Buyers today are very smart. They're very smart. They want to know what is who's behind this company. What kind of practices are they following in their company? आप मानो कि स्कैंडिनेवियन कंट्रीज जो हैं, जितने भी फिनलैंड और स्वीडन वगैरह हो गए, एक क्रीम के ऊपर भी अगर इफ दे सी कि कहीं पे ये मेंशन नहीं है दैट नो एनिमल्स वर हर्ट, नो एनवायरमेंटल डैमेज वाज डन, अगर ये नहीं लिखा है, दे विल नॉट बाय इट.
Wow. Very deep.
The customers over there are so enlightened and so evolved. And धीरे धीरे ये सब चीजें अब इंडिया में भी आ रही हैं.
Yes.
I've seen this change.
Yes.
I've seen this change. मेरी जनरेशन में तो 100% है. People want to know who's selling it and what is their why. Are they just selling it to make money?
Yes.
That's a big turn off.
Oh, yes.
That's a big turn off. You have to have a bigger goal. You have to have a bigger passion about your product.
And that's what they resonate or connect with.
Yes. And the funny part is that, as I said, most developers and real estate builders and developers, they are very hardworking and very passionate people.
Yeah, they're putting sweat into it.
They're putting their soul into it. They're putting their sweat into it. But nobody is seeing it because they don't want to show it. See, sir, simple सी चीज है. आज की डेट में, you like it or not, if you are selling something out there, people are going to talk about you. Now, if you don't control the narrative, because you're not saying anything, right? You're not doing personal branding. You're not saying anything. But people are talking about your product. Then the narrative about your product is in their hands.
Yes, very nice.
if you're not controlling it. मैं ये नहीं कहता आप 100% narrative control करो, but आप 50%, 75% तो control करो. You also say something what you want to say. Let them agree, let them disagree. That's their part. But at least वो कृष्ण जी कहते हैं ना, आप तो करो, तुम तो अपना कर्म करो. You can't say नहीं मैं नहीं करूंगा. Then you're just running away from your responsibility. That it is your responsibility. Then whatever people are talking about your product is their experience with your product or with your salesperson, which could be anything.
Yes.
फिर आप सब कुछ चांस पे छोड़ रहे हो.
Correct. But I'm sure, you are saying to a lot of the developers out there to come out of their comfort zone, come out of their office time to get on the camera, get on the public spaces, get on to the people whom probably they want to talk, but they are not talking just because of certain fears.
Yes, and you will see, I mean, आप कभी आप आओगे बाहर तो you will see that you will receive a lot of love. या आपको लगेगा कि मैं ऐसे ही डर रहा था बाहर आने से.
Yes.
You will
And
receive a lot of love. Yes, somebody has bought something from you. Just
Absolutely.
invested 1 CR, 2 CR, 1.5 CR. They already like you.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
And if you just be a bit vulnerable, if you show your human side to them, yeah, I'm also human. I'm trying to deliver my best here. And I'm open to suggestions. I'm
Correct.
open to your ideas.
Correct.
Why won't they buy with you? I mean, they will buy from you all the time.
And Rahul, I totally relate. And to every developer out there, I would just like to put out a story for just a minute in between, deviating from the topic, that taking and seeing my story, let's say 12, 13 years back when I started a manufacturing vertical. I was myself a builder from 2007 to 2012. And I remember that in one of my project, when I faced a problem of termite, we started a manufacturing vertical to just solve this problem using the composite solutions for door opening solutions, facade covering solutions, furniture solutions. And for the first 10 years of my life, of my business life, we were just selling. We were just selling.
Yeah.
This is our product. This is USP. You got to buy it.
Yeah.
But the moment I understood what is the power of building a community, what is the power of keeping your product behind and not just talking about your product, but rather going very deep into the community, understanding your customer's pain, and then getting the right people, the right value for them, without any intention that I want to sell my product now to them. My intention, the product is already being sold.
Yeah.
But the only intent behind doing all these podcast shows, Kradai chapter shows, or let's say magazines, is to add value to the life of the developer. And I feel, and my request to every developer out there, that if a person who was extremely introvert 3, 4, 5 years back, if I can do it, you can definitely do it.
Yeah.
So I
You
totally...
just have to start.
You just have to start, exactly. And as you said, you get a lot of love. Rahul, I would like to add something to it, that the love which I get today, they don't see me as their vendor.
Yeah.
They see me from a very different lens.
Yeah.
Though definitely as a marketing strategist, obviously they give that respect. But other than that, when I'm adding value to the life of developers, being generous out of my pure generosity, that's what they're loving the most. So I can relate with what you were saying, because I'm sure there must be some subconscious relationship between that also, which probably you can put a light on.
Yeah. So, see, for example, you go to a good doctor, right? There are some doctors they're very good, but they don't talk to you. They don't listen to you. Like, हाँ ठीक है, आपने बता दिया, they'll just prescribe the medicine and you go.
Correct.
There are some doctors who are, who build that connect with you.
Yes.
Who build that human connect with you, and who talk to you like a friend, who tell you things. You get a different feel when you go to them. मतलब आधा तो आप वैसे ठीक हो
जाते हो. Yes.
उनसे बात करके आपको लगता है यार इतना नहीं हो.
I'm eased out.
Yeah. So see, we all want to be understood at the end of the day.
Oh yes, that's very deep.
right?
That's
चाहे
very deep.
आपकी
Being understood.
चाहे आपकी वाइफ हो, चाहे आपके फ्रेंड हो, चाहे आपका कस्टमर हो, चाहे आपका बच्चे हो, at the end of the day you want कि यार people should see me and understand that I have good intentions,
Yes.
right? All I'm saying is put those good intentions out in any format that you are comfortable in. If you are
Right.
comfortable in putting it out in a book format, do that. If you are comfortable in front of the camera, do the videos. If you're comfortable in such talk shows, do that. But get out there and engage with people.
Excellent. So towards the end, I would, though I don't want to end the conversation, but I have few more questions popping up because just last week is I was in Singapore in one of the event, and a developer asked me a very great question that it's pretty easy for me to gain the trust of the buyers, but as far as the channel partners are concerned,
Yeah.
they don't sell my product, and I find it very difficult to win their trust. What would you advise to them?
सर एक तो उनकी जो पेमेंट्स हैं विद रिस्पेक्ट टाइमली उनको डिस्पर्स कर दो. they will start loving you. They will start loving you वहीं पर. ठीक है. बट अगर आप नहीं भी कर पा रहे हो फॉर वट एवर रीजन, आई नो बिल्डर्स के साथ बहुत सारी और इश्यूज उनके दिमाग में चल रहे होते हैं. इट्स नॉट दैट इट्स इजियर सेड देन डन कि यार
Oh yes.
पेमेंट टाइम पे करवा दो, ये कर दो.
Yes.
They want to pay.
They want to
They
pay,
don't want to pay.
But they are dependent on.
They are
certain
also
things.
dependent on the cash flow and everything.
Correct.
Just communicating with your channel partners, telling them that this is what is going, that this is what is happening, right?
Again, being understood.
Again, being understood. Again, forming that connection. Communication, sir, is very, very important. If you are a shy person, if you're an introvert person, make sure you have somebody who can do that on your behalf then with the
Correct.
channel partners.
Correct.
But you need to talk to them. You need to communicate to them, right? And when you build that marketing strategy, make sure you convey the strategy to the channel partners as well.
That's very deep.
Because again, they will say something else.
Correct.
They will bring the client in. They will bring the lead in.
Correct.
लीड जनरेट हो जाएगी, वहां पर वो भेज तो देंगे फोन के ऊपर, या
Correct.
दे विल अकम्पनी देम जो भी
Correct.
उसमें
Correct.
करना होगा.
Correct.
बट यहाँ पर आके लीड को कुछ और दिखेगा.
Oh yes. Because they have not been conveyed the same messaging in their minds. And they do not convey that to the buyer.
Yes. So again, आपको इनके साथ भी कम्युनिटी बिल्ड करना पड़ेगा.
Oh, again those fun. So coming back to the
Same
fundamentals,
fundamentals,
customer avatar,
At the end of the day, you're dealing with humans.
humans.
So
yes.
fundamentals remain the same.
remain the same.
बट हाँ, एक जगह पे मैं थोड़ा सा एक एडवाइस करता हूँ, जो एक थोड़े सटल तरीके से भी करता हूँ, कि इन दोनों कम्युनिटीज को आपको डिफरेंट रखना पड़ेगा, अलग रखना पड़ेगा.
So that means you saying that build a strategy right from the start for both of them.
Yes.
Build an avatar for channel partner also.
Yes.
That you're not going to work with every channel partner, but let's say a good strata of buyers whom you relate with, your values resonate with.
Yes.
Again, then communicating with them, adding value to their life, making them feel
This is
understood.
where you have to put in some effort. You have to make sure that those areas are not ignored.
Okay.
Right? बट मैं ये कहता हूँ कि जब भी आप कम्युनिटी इवेंट्स कर रहे हो और वो कर रहे हो, आप इनके लिए अलग करो, बायर्स के लिए अलग करो.
Oh yes, because the messaging and everything would be very
और
different.
वो फिर वहाँ का कोरम भी डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है, बिकॉज यू डोंट वांट टू मिक्स बिजनेस विद प्लेजर. जो आपने उनके लिए इतना इवेंट
Correct.
करा है फॉर द प्लेजर पर्पस, वहाँ पे वो बिजनेस इन्वॉल्व हो जाएगा. बिकॉज इफ यू आर नॉट सेलिंग, दे आर सेलिंग. चैनल पार्टनर है, उसका तो काम है, ही विल
Correct.
दिस इज ब्रेड एंड बटर, ही विल डू इट.
So, couple of more last questions. What is the future of real estate branding you see in India?
Personal. Okay, customized and personal. Very, very personal. And I like just if you're using templates, I say don't advertise. That's bad marketing, because पैसा जा रहा है आपकी जेब से and nobody is noticing you. But make it personalized. And how do you make it personalized? Again, customer avatar बनाइए, उसके आगे सारा काम करिए. It has to be personalized. It has to be two-way, which means you will have to engage. You will have to engage, if not one-on-one, you will have to engage in using a channel where be open to the feedback, because that will come. थोड़ा backlash भी आएगा.
Correct.
But believe me, that backlash would be positive in the long run.
Beautiful.
Right? And third and the final part is build a community. Make people, give people a sense of belonging. Remember, what you're building is not for you. It is for the people. They are the hero. You're not the hero.
Correct.
You're the director.
Correct.
You're in the back, right? You're behind the scenes.
Beautiful.
Right.
Very well said.
The movie has to entertain the audience. Same way, the building that you're building, the apartments that you're building, the houses that you're building, right? Your buyers are going to make those apartments their home.
Hmm.
They're going to call them those things their homes, right? Your buyer is the hero. Always keep that in mind. Your
Hmm.
buyer is the hero
Very nice.
in
Very
the story.
So, Rahul, let's have a quick fire round, and I would ask you one word, one liner, and I would want
Is
you
there
to.
a coffee hamper to win?
No,
Just-
there is no coffee. But yes, I would love to have your viewpoint on that.
Sure.
So, marketing,
Evolving.
personal branding,
Essential.
communication,
Top priority.
launch,
Make it big.
communication,
Important.
offer,
Irresistible.
hoardings,
Useful.
agency,
Okay-ish.
future of real estate branding.
Personal.
One thing which you would like to change about branding.
Get out of that mentality of one size fits all.
Advice for first-time developers.
Start your marketing strategy early.
Digital marketing.
You can't do without it now.
Sustainability of the project.
Oh, it's paramount because you're not going anywhere, and the
Correct.
people living there are also not going anywhere. Right?
Emerging buyer trends.
The buyers are becoming more and more intelligent. They are using all the sources possible to find out everything they can about your project before they're investing.
Medium of communication.
Both online and offline are important, but I think more focus on online should be given now.
Brand consistency.
Is an integral part of the marketing strategy. I think you have to be very, very consistent. Because again, if you're not consistent, you're creating chaos.
Storytelling.
Oh, that's the only way to connect with people now.
Relevance of data.
Well, it basically provides you an anchor to budget things properly. So it's important.
Consumer research.
Again, consumer research then helps you create the customer avatar. So I think the most important factor.
Customer avatar.
The most important factor
USP.
should not be common. Should be unique. Find it.
Awesome. So definitely you've not won the coffee
The coffee
hamper, but yes, we had a good round of rapid fire, and I'm sure I've thrown a lot of questions over you. So but you've answered it extremely brilliantly well out of the pool of wisdom which you have gained working with so many developers. So Rahul, one last question which is popping in my mind. If any developer wants to get in touch with you, how can they reach you out?
The fastest way to reach me is if you can just my agency's name is Black Card Media, and my email address is rahul@blackcardmedia.com. We work in a very personalized way. So I do what I preach. It's a very personalized service that I do. So I work with very few clients. This is not out of arrogance or ego. It is just that when we work with a client, we want to start early, and then we want to obviously
Go very deep even.
go deep into it and be involved. So we prefer a very personalized approach right from the beginning. So if you personally send me an email, my team will look into it, and we'll definitely get back to you.
Awesome. So once again, thank you so much, Rahul, for taking out your couple of hours. I'm sure that this podcast is going to add immense value. There's so many golden nuggets, guys, which you can take out of it. I'm sure if I would have to summarize, I would need at least 30 minutes. So excuse me out for summarizing it, because there's so many nuggets that I need another round of episode to summarize this this podcast in itself. So definitely look out this entire podcast completely. If there's anything out, you feel you want more clarity, more details, send Rahul an email, and I'm sure he's going to revert it back to you.
Yes.
And more to add over it. Do share, do subscribe to this channel, because this is for you. This is not for me. You are the hero of this industry, and we want you to make your customer the real hero. So that's how you will build a true legacy. And that's what the entire Build Legacy podcast has been started for. So once again, thank you to you for watching this entire podcast till the end. God bless, and stay tuned for the more interesting podcast coming soon. Thank you.